Bodega Boys.
Hey, papi, I'm gonna send you a Zoom link on your phone. Check in your phone right now. Check in your phone right now, and then put it in your computer. All right.
All right. Okay. Let's see here. Okay. Invite link to Julio's Zoom room. Okay. Okay. Here. Click here, and drop it onto my laptop. Okay. All right. We're in here. Hey, can you hear me?
Say, papi, you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yeah. I can hear you. What's going on?
Hey, where is your friend? Where's your friend, Mr. Fonfon?
Oh, there he is.
What is this? Is this one of those virtual classrooms? Like little kids? What's going on in here?
No. Fun. No. Yeah. No. RIP, I just got blocked from those. This is Julio. What's up? What's going on?
Hey.
Do I owe you any money, man? I feel like we're even Stevens, bro.
What's going on, bro? What's going on? What's going on in the Zoom meeting, bro? We can pull our cocks out or?
No, papi, no do that, papi, please.
Give me a second.
No, put that away.
Matter of fact, I'm gonna mute my video then.
Okay, you can do whatever you want behind closed doors, papi. I'm not judging you. Listen to this shit, man. Every fucking weekend on the Bodega Boys fucking podcast, even no matter what time it is.
Hold on, wait a minute. You said something about boys?
No, the Bodega Boys. They grow.
Okay.
They're adults.
Oh,
they're
I'm sorry.
adults.
All right. I'm sorry. I'm gonna mute my microphone again.
They know, baby. They fucking man. You understand me? You claro with me? Okay. Anyway, papi, look. This made me very upset. They did episode 200, papi, without us. They don't put us. They put Yesenia. They put fucking mama huevo, fucking mono, prosciutto. They put the fucking Tecato song, fucking Michael Anthony.
Wait, somebody's son is here?
No, calm down, Mr. Michael Anthony is, I believe, to be at least 27 years old. He looks 58 in the face. But
Child the ghetto. I'm gonna mute my mic again.
Okay, so what were you saying, Leo?
So what I'm saying is that it's very disrespectful for us. We're very important in the Bodega Boys universe for them to leave us out of that shit. That was a milestone, my nigga. You understand? 200 episodes of straight fuego puré, and they don't want to put us in there? You not mad?
I mean, now that you say that way, so what are we gonna do?
I got an idea, Mr. Fonfon. I need you to do something.
Hold on, let me. Okay. Yeah. Don't mind the background. That's a green screen. Those aren't cages. Continue.
You know, there's a daycare right by the studio where they're recording.
Yeah. Okay.
I want you to go into that, put on this Bodega Boys shirt and hat, and go into the daycare and have some good time with yourself. You know what I'm saying, papi? I don't like to say anything like that over the Zoom phone.
Bro,
you know what I'm talking
I just
about?
got a weird message in my chat. It says something. It says FBI. We have your house surrounded.
Oh shit! Yo, you a snitch? Benzo, you a snitch, motherfucker?
Julio did.
Yo,
snitched
tú me chivateaste, mamá huevo. Tú me chivateaste.
Yo, I'm out of here. Yo, I'm leaving this meeting. I'm leaving this meeting.
Yo, I gotta go.
Host end meeting. Do the drop. Do the drop. How do you leave this meeting? How do you leave? Wait, hold on.
Everybody get on the fucking ground. Show your laptop right now.
I gotta go. Bye.
You're listening to The Audio Art, the most dangerous podcast in the universe. Live from Milk Studios. Do the drop.
Yo, number one show in quarantine. Number one show in podcast quarantine. It's the Bodega Boys, episode 201. Shout out to all my college students out there that know when you don't have to do the prerequisites. You're going right to big English.
That's right. You took a little test on the computer real quick, and they were like, "Yo, you good." Oh, you took AP placement in high school. You good.
Shout out to all my native speaking Latinos hustling the system. They're like, yo, I should be in 201, but you know what? I want to get this easy credit, so I'm in Spanish 101. All right? You're the only person in there that knows how to use vosotros. You're flaking. You're faking. How you correcting the teacher?
If I took a foreign language every time I got the opportunity to take like foreign language, I would be like fucking Rest in peace to the mama, Kobe Bryant right now. I don't know like 11 languages.
Bro.
But nah, every time I was like, yo, I'm going to take Spanish. Fuck that.
At one point.
Get this 98 real quick.
I needed like 3 credits to graduate college. And it was like I had finished all my needed courses. They were like doing an elective. They were like, have you ever done piano? And I was like, what the fuck is a piano? In the back of my mind, it was like, you did 12 years of piano, sir.
Remember?
I'm in a piano class, and the teacher's like, can someone press a G? And I'm just like, I just hit one of the black keys. He was like, oh, poor guy. He'll never figure it out.
You just press yourself as a joke, like,
I'm like,
get it?
I'm the D. Ha, 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 ha. As always, coming to you live from Red Bull. Actually, no. Coming to you live from Milk Studio. No. Oh, shit.
No.
Shit.
Bunkers.
Oh, fuck. You know what? Just for old sake, coming to you live from 220 West 18th Street. Yeah, we haven't done that in a while, man. That's a throwback. Shout out to Red Bull Studios, which gave us our birth. But you know what it is. Coming to you live.
The first real studio.
Real studio, hip-hop, real sports beverage, hip-hop. But we're coming to you from we're not coming to you from our respective locations. It is like a Minority Report. In order to record this podcast.
That's right.
We have filled a small swimming pool in Mero's backyard. It's filled with KY jelly. Me, Victor, and Mero are lying in it like the precogs.
That's right.
In Minority Report. We are figuring out memes that have not happened. What's going to happen in July. We're figuring out a way for the NBA to come back and play.
That's right.
I've come up with the theory that the way the NBA should come back and play, they have to play. They're going to curl up little balls of paper and shoot them in baskets.
Baskets.
And that is how. And all the stats are reset, so the Knicks are at the same place as every other team. Okay.
Yes.
So anything that happened pre-corona does not happen. It's a new season. Make it fair. Make it claro.
Yo.
And,
what if everybody...
And my last part.
Ooh, the piece de resistance.
Each team gets one player with corona, so you have to play until your whole team gets affected. Just to make things more. Just to
last team to get affected loses.
Last man standing.
Yo, I seen like I had never actually seen.
Sorry. Just be safe.
Yeah, I was waiting for that one. I was like, yo, that was right there. That was teetering.
That was right there.
Just a bit outside. I was like, yo, I had never seen an actual video of like the swabbing that they do. I just saw like the diagram, like that cross section of where they put the swab, and I was like, yo, damn, that looks painful. But then I seen an actual video of this shit being performed.
The black guy?
Yes, and he's like an army nigga, so it's like you're not buns. You know what I mean? Like, you know what I mean? Like you probably been clapped at or whatever.
Let's relax. Because maybe he joined the army for a charger.
Maybe. I was just giving him the benefit of the doubt because he looked brolic.
Listen, nothing but respects to all the troops and all our essential workers and the people that my neighbor used to deliver Chipotle yesterday and didn't tip him. Like I was in the lobby. I saw that. So
you seen it with his own eyes.
The delivery guy looked at me like, yo, whose mask is? I was like, I have a mask on. Can't get involved. 6 feet.
Like, yo, fam,
social distancing.
Can't do it. This is my mask. I wear a mask under it, like I double mask up, but I feel like this shit looks mad cool. Like if I go outside to get like backwards and shit, it's just like,
the Call of Duty skull mask.
The skull mask.
Wow. Your man got the official I hate my mother incel mask. Okay, all right.
I got my going to get backwards loadout.
Your man got the official I'm jerking off and wiping the semen on the locker of a girl I like, and I will be in the therapist's office after this mask. All right.
Yo, but I see the mask, and every time I look at this shit, all I think is fucking Trumpito being like Antifa.
Yo, shout out to I was able to get some N95 masks, and like I called my sister and I was like, yo, do you need some? She was like, we're good. She said it kind of a low voice, so I'm gonna send her some just to handle
like,
it.
Yo, these are for you.
Shout out to everyone in New York that I see wearing N95 masks, but you're not wearing it on your nose and your mouth. You're wearing it around your neck to look. I guess you're taking a break from not breathing in bacteria and virus. I
just want a little bit of corona, just like a smidge,
just as a treat. Oh.
Like, yo, you fucking nuts.
You don't want it as a main meal. You want it as like an appetizer.
Yo, but you know what's bugged out? It's like people do shit like that, and it's just like they'll do everything else, but then they'll do one stupid thing like that, and that's what fucks up their whole thing.
Yeah.
They'll wash their hands until they're raw. They'll disinfect all the shit in their crib. They'll do all this extra shit, but then just fucking walk down the block and just drop the mask for like 3 or 4 blocks.
Or
Be like, I want to breathe some fresh air.
Or just talking casually to someone in the elevator. Just
like
building
hey.
up all the viral load.
Hey, let's talk in this small box.
Oh my God, look at this little pupper. Oh, aren't you so cute? Aren't you so happy? Mommy's home all the time. Oh, he's licking my face. Now he's licking your face. Oh, like, no. You gotta treat the every day now is like a zombie.
Elevator's a wet market.
Chill, relax. I'm getting off on floor 5. They're like 4 or 5. Here you can get bats, livestock, and silverfish.
Yo,
like, all right.
But yo, you know what's wild too about that? They're trying to implicate some shit. You know, like the halal joints where they like live. It's basically a slaughterhouse.
Yeah.
But it's like halal chicken. You know what I'm saying?
Uh-huh.
They do the shit like the way it's supposed to be done. So like they're trying to say that those are like wet markets and trying to like shut them down. And I'm like, damn, that's low key foul, dog. Like,
damn, because they got that one over by
Jerome, like right there,
East
176.
The one over about East 180 in the train station. Like, when you wait for the train, you just see a chicken in the street and shit. And I remember I had brought Shorty to the Bronx, and we took the 5 train. We had to transfer to the 2. So we're waiting at East 180th for the 2 train. She looks down, and there's like a wild chicken in the street. She was like, yo, the Bronx is different. I was like, yeah.
Yeah, it is.
I was like, yeah, what do you want? She was like, also, why are those people ordering from that? Why are those people, they don't have cars and they're ordering through that drive-thru? And I was like, I don't see what the problem there is. Like, that's just how we do things here. You think just because you got to have a car to use the drive-thru?
Wow.
That's
classist.
Excuse me, Queen of England. Sheesh.
Shit. We're clearly in a different socioeconomic class.
For real.
I got a whip.
You got a whip. Are whips even cool anymore now? Because like if you got a whip, like you got to move it and you got to like watch the insurance. You can't really. You're not really. Well, people are still using their cars to go places, but you probably shouldn't. I don't know.
It's like
I know that the price of gas is mad low. So
that's true, but it's like because nobody's like who's using it.
Yeah,
like if you're not a fucking bozo or like an essential worker, you know what I mean? Like, are you fucking driving around for no reason? Like,
well, I know people who are driving around for no reason to get away from their families. I do know that. I've seen that on Twitter.
That's so like, wild to me, dog.
I'm like, yo, I need this. I need these 20.
I'm like, yo, fam, y'all could run me into the ground, dog, but this is my fucking house. And if I gotta go get away from you niggas, I'm going into the basement, I'm locking the door.
He about to put the kids in the car, put the car in neutral, be like, yo, daddy be back. I hope you don't hit an incline. Can you?
Is that jump behind the wheel and fucking child endangerment? Hell yeah, for sure.
Like, the Martinez kids were filming Fast and Furious Jersey. Just see the kids doing like the wild Tokyo drift on the turnpike. I'm like, Mero. Yep, Mero. I don't want to alarm you. Could you go in your driveway? Is your car there? Because I'm watching the news and it's weird. Azalea's driving and she has Amari. She has Amari strapped to the front of the car, like in that movie. What is it? Mad Max? He's waving he's breathing fire.
What the fuck? Does he have a guitar?
He has it's even more embarrassing. He has like a Dominican onesie. It's really
wow.
It's really showing,
that's definitely him.
He's showing his mule and hold on, he's screaming, I got a big mule like daddy. I don't know what that means.
Wow. Shout out to him. But let me go get him because I don't want him to get arrested. I don't want, you know what I'm saying?
This is the clip TMZ shows. Like they're like, sorry, your kid is over here yelling about his dick size. You're like, wow, shout out to him.
Shout out to him.
Sis. Where are the fathers? Where are the fathers at home? That's where everyone's at home. Home is boring.
Yo, it's true. Like now, you can't say your dad isn't present because if he's there now,
or if he's not, you know for sure he's not.
He's not. He ain't coming back.
If your dad ain't there now, he don't fuck with you. Imagine being like, quarantine, not fucking seeing my kid. Well, second one, gotta go.
Yo, I'm thinking in my head, I'm like, yo, damn, imagine we would have been like, imagine
all these people living in luxury. Imagine all these OnlyFans giving porn for free. Imagine all the toenail photos going through the DMs. Ooh. And I imagine all my Susio boys, girls, and them. Yeah. Let me stop before we get, because you know Yoko Ono's waiting to hit us with the wild cease and desist.
What? She'd be like, yo, my music is like butterflies. That was like nails on the chalkboard. I'm like, yo, why did you say that in a deposition?
Yeah. She's the only person who does a deposition via tweet. I'm like,
Oh, God.
I'm like, Victor, can you handle this? It's 1 to 16. I don't know. Print it out. I
can't deal with this.
I can't do this. Victor, it's not loading in Chrome. I don't know I'm not using Safari. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
I have standards.
Oh, God.
I tried to use Safari the other day to buy something on Foot Locker, and Safari acted Safari was like, wow, long time no see. Wow. Wow, how have you been? They were like, wow.
No, I'm just trying to buy sneakers.
They were like, wow, okay, you want some sneakers? Would you like these sneakers shipped to, I don't know, the last address you used? 15 Times Square. I was like, wow. You are doing, that's not where I get sneakers delivered. That was like 4 years ago.
Come on,
Safari.
You got the mic on listening to me all the time. Stop. Don't play with me.
Oh, man.
You keylog me. Come on, stop playing.
They were like, hey. They was like, hey, Desus. Hey, Desus, do you still want to use your bank card from Commerce Bank? I was like, fam.
Wow.
Commerce? Wow.
Is that a thing anymore?
Wow.
Was Commerce Bank the shit that had? Was that the one that had the dog bowls and the
dog bowls and the it's TD Bank. It's TD Bank. They just changed the colors. They just changed the colors.
Yeah.
Remember the time in Chicago where I got hacked and I had a TD Bank card and I was like, I have to go to my local TD Bank, and they was like, yeah, we don't have any TD Banks in Chicago. And I was like, what?
How
do you just not have
a single one in a major United States city?
And then they were like, oh, you know what? We're gonna let you go to the ATM. We're gonna take the limit off your card. You can take out as much cash as you want, but but you have like a 20-minute window to do it. And if anyone else accesses your account and takes money, we can't do anything. And I was like, I was like, yo, first of all, I don't even have enough money in my account for this. What is this shit? I was so stressed. I tried to get a slice of pizza to calm myself down. It turned out to be Chicago deep dish. So now I'm running downtown, holding a tray of lasagna. I slip on the bean. It's a mess. I try to get a hot dog. I'm getting cursed at. Oh, man.
Listen, I feel like we made fun of like Delaware and then we apologize.
Are we apologizing? Yeah.
I don't want to anger any of our Chicago Hive. You know what I'm saying?
Nah, we good. We shout out to G Herbo. We good.
Shout out to G Herbo. Shout out to Chicago. But
G Herbo said we are good anytime we go to Chicago. However, G Herbo was extremely high when he said that.
Yeah, he probably might not remember that. But yo, you said it. We were there. There's two witnesses.
We were there.
We were both there. We saw it. We heard you see.
Red Bull got it on video. I think we have it on video, but we didn't have live mics, so the audio is terrible. Also, shout out to bass
in the back, like, and
shout out to us casually using the term live mics, like the rest, like anyone else knows the fuck that means.
Oh, those are the mics that you put, those little tiny mics that you always see on people's collars on TV shows and shit like that. Like I don't know if that sounded condescending because I'm super high, but like I'm not being at all.
He's wrong.
I don't know what the fuck it was either.
He's wrong. Mero doesn't know anything. A lav mic. This is a very Hollywood term. Lav stands for loud ass vocals. So if you are dealing with someone who can really spit, you have to put on a live mic.
You know what I'm saying?
So like if you're in a church, you know, your big mama got the pipes, you gotta give her a loud ass volume mic. You know what I mean? Right. Now if you got like if you're with someone in a relationship and they're very quiet, you want to give them a small ass volume mic, a salve mic.
A salve. Okay. You know what I'm saying? That's what Janae Aiko uses.
Okay, welcome to Audio Production 101, sponsored by ICM and SAG. Please come back next week. We'll be telling you how to light your apartment for a Zoom call using just a fleshlight.
That's right.
So, you know, it's just, it's going to be great. You know, you want to bounce it off the, you know what? Hey, send me the Mike Negri fleshlight. I'm like, oh, whoa, wait, yo, wait.
Yo, what is,
yo.
It's like a mouth with like a toothpick in it.
Hey.
You're like, yo, hold on.
I can save you some money, yo.
I got a couple of left over.
Yeah, you know, I got them in the locker in Secaucus. You know, we pulled them out for you. So apparently summer is canceled, except in Georgia. Shout out to Georgia is reopening. I don't recommend it, but
I don't. And it's like
Killer Mike said he's not reopening his barbershop, so that's shout out to him.
He's smart. Shout out to him.
Smart.
You know,
even when they reopen,
doctors and scientists,
real doctors, not Dr. Dre. Not Dr. Dre.
Yeah, no.
But when shit reopens, listen, I need y'all to relax and not be the first one that's out. There's no reason for you to be one of the first people out for Instagram posts. Like, yo, I bet. Like, listen, let a couple people go out first.
Yes.
Let like 2 weeks, maybe 4.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? And wait. You know what I'm saying? Maybe you follow people on Instagram and you be like, oh, you went outside? Follow. And you watch them and you see how they're doing and see if it's safe.
Mm-hmm.
Some of you are canaries in the minefield that is life.
You know what I mean? And it's and listen, this is not even like, talking down on you because you don't care and you want to go out and do it. So do what you want. It's your life.
I see there's people on Twitter and they're like, yo, you guys really been in the house for 7 weeks? Like, yes, nigga.
I was like, nigga, have you been watching the show? Look at my fucking beard.
But then people are just like, yo, as soon as I'm still going to see my family. Oh, so you and Death are just knocking on your family's door?
Okay, that's cool.
You let Death hug your big mama?
Like, oh, that's mighty kind of you.
Oh,
fucking doofus. Like, yeah, you know, there's like, and that's some bugged out shit too. It's like, I know we're getting tired of it and like burnt out, but like, at the end of the day, if you want to see your loved ones, you can.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? If you have the means or like, you know what I'm saying? Or like, listen, you can find a way, man.
People are like, they're like, I have to see my family through a Zoom meeting. It's like, okay, you guys realize when people die, you have to go to their funerals through Zoom meetings. Like,
you know what I'm saying?
People are not seeing the bigger picture. I think that's the problem with America. We think too much about like right now. And like, you don't think about the, and also it's the kind of disease where you don't really, like, you don't have to take precautions to protect yourself as much as you have to protect other people. Uh-huh. And at that point, I could kind of get it because it's like, what have other people done for you? And I only say this because shout out to The Tribe. It's a website. Did you see that video in Chicago where they had the house party and there was over 1,000 people in the house party?
Mm-hmm.
And everyone, like, some people had on masks and people were coughing and shit. And everyone on Twitter was like, oh, these people are fucking stupid. Why would you be outside? But they interviewed everyone there. And, like, people were saying that a lot of those people are from a neighborhood where, like, there's, like, a lot of gun violence and shit.
Right.
So those niggas, they're ready. They live day to day already.
You know what I'm saying?
So you telling them, quarantine up so you don't die from a virus in 2 weeks. They might be dead from a gunshot wound tomorrow. So they got post-traumatic stress disorder. They got all these things going on. So
there's all types of shit going on. That's why I'm like, yo, it's wild to like crucify dudes from the hood for saying or doing like shit that's like, incorrect. Because it's like, dog, like you said, bro, like motherfuckers live day to day. You don't know what tomorrow's looking like. Like there's so many wild stressors and variables in your everyday life.
Stuff that's important
really
to
don't understand.
Stuff that's important to people who don't live in the hood is different. It's totally different. It's like levels of success are different. Yeah. Levels of recognition, like
you know what I'm saying. The way you walk home is different. Like you know what I mean. If you live in the burbs and you're chilling and there's no violence in your hood, you take the shortest way home. If you live in the hood, you're like, yo, fam, I can't walk down Decatur because I got mad drama with niggas over there, and they're definitely gonna fucking jump me and stab me or whatever the fuck. So I gotta go when you were younger around this way.
Think about when you were younger. What was more impressive? If someone you knew went to jail, or if someone went to college.
Oh, jail. Absolutely. There was no t-shirts for niggas that went to college. Put it like that.
Niggas went to college was corny.
You know what I'm saying? That was the general consensus.
Because if you were going to college, that means you wasn't out there, you wasn't on the corner, you wasn't like banging for the block and all that shit. Like when you get older, you can look back and be like, oh, okay, this person, because you look and that person is still alive, and maybe some of the cooler people you knew are dead. But like that's the mentality when you grow up in the hood.
And it's wild.
That's the same mentality where like, will you shoot someone to shoot someone for disrespecting your block? You know what I'm saying? Stupid shit like that.
Yeah, just like shit that's just like, bro, what good is gonna come with this?
So imagine if that's how you operate 24/7 and niggas want different from you, niggas expect better from you. Like, yo, hold your horses, dog.
Sure.
You know what I'm saying?
You got niggas, slow burn.
Niggas running around with illegal guns. You get mad at like shit different, bro.
This shit is super different,
bro.
Listen, it's super different, and it's wild because it's like you said, man. It's just like, bro, like your whole worldview is different. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Like everything you're thinking about on a regular basis is like, yo, how if you wake up in the morning and your primary thought is like, how am I gonna eat? Yeah. What am I eating today? You know what I'm saying? Because there ain't shit in the fridge. You know what I'm saying? Or like, yo, how am I gonna get this rent? You know what I'm saying? Because like I just got fired from my little bullshit retail job. I got no bread. I'm hustling on the side. Now I gotta go hard hustling.
You gotta start making decisions like, yo, do I pay my rent or do I pay my Con Edison bill? You know what I'm saying? Like shit like that.
Man, niggas can't really
weird.
Like that, bro.
But you know what? Shout out to us. We escaped that. And
you know what I'm saying?
You know what I'm saying? We haven't forgotten where we came from. We've been helping a lot of charities and shit. Just got mad pizzas delivered to all 11 Bronx hospitals. Shout out to Bronx Soul. You know what I'm saying? Benevolent boys out here doing big things. Shout out to Chef Andreas. We donated money to the World Chef Kitchen. So you know what I'm saying? We listen. We have not. We do not turn our backs on the Bronx. We are the. We are patience and fortitude. The two lions in front of the New York Public Library. A lot of people don't know their names. Okay, as a I believe the term for someone who likes books is I think the Latin term is biblioteca, and you know, as a biblioteca, I'm sure that's the term. I implore us. No, I remember when I worked at the library, I casually dropped that in the meeting, and everyone was like, "Yo." I was like, you know, word? As the people that guard the library, the two lions, patience and fortitude. And one of the white guys was like, that word I can't say is spitting. And I was like, thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
That ninja spitting.
Yeah.
You're like, oh, God, man, come on, dog.
What was the name? Oh, wow. Oh, excuse me. If you're working at home, I need you to turn the volume down because this right here is explicit sports content for all my Yankee fans, bro.
Oh, shit, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah,
do you guys remember? There was the name of the ghost in the old Yankee Stadium.
Is it the curse of the band?
It was I think it was called like Destiny and shit. What was I forgot the name. I know there's an old Italian guy listening to this, and he's yelling.
He's like, "You motherfucker! Right, it was Destiny and Carmella. It was Destiny. You motherfucker! You." I don't know why you listen to these guys every fucking week. Oh my God!
They're always wrong. It was Destiny. Yeah, Destiny is the name of supposedly the name of. But you know what? Was she not getting busy in the 90s?
She was getting busy.
Okay. Also, she got busy in 2009 when I believe A-Rod hit a double that clearly was not foul, and they said it was foul, and he should have been out. And you know what? Hey, we'll take it. We'll fucking take it. You know what I'm saying? You gonna fight with me over something that happened in 2009? I just watched a Jeremy Lin broadcast in 2020, and I got amped. I was standing in my living room as if I didn't know the ending.
Oh, I know the feeling, bro. Like, I've been watching, shout out to Posting and Toasting, the Knicks blog and shit. Like, I've been watching, because they're doing, like, some tournament of, like, the most Knicks moment ever. And there's, like, different brackets, like misery, happiness, joy. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, so, like,
I feel like some of those categories have more slots than the others.
More slots than others? Like, yo, most.
They're like, two search results found for joy. I'm like, oh, fuck.
Fam,
they're not even wins. They're like, yo, remember this Knicks game where Red Panda got 6 bowls on her head? I'm like, this isn't basketball. Yeah. Hey, remember this game where Lil Wayne was courtside? I'm like, these are the worst highlights. What the fuck?
Fat Joe caught a T-shirt.
Remember when Mace performed? They're like, over here, we got Haim eating chicken fingers. I'm like, you know what?
Y'all are doing a lot.
Y'all doing a lot right now. They're like, look, it's Ezra from Vampire Weekend and 2 minorities. I was like, that was us.
That was us, bro.
What the fuck, bro?
Come on, dog. We advertise on your network.
You're like, oh. Every now and then I go through. Well, now a thing you can do, if you put your Twitter name in Google and press news, it will show you any article that has quoted a tweet from you.
Oh,
so if you want to be vain, that's something you could do.
Oh, shit.
Something else I always do, I go on ImageWire or any of those stock photos.
Getty images.
And you know what? They're getting better. They're getting better at recognizing us. But you know what?
You know what I'm saying?
My nigga, I'm not Don Cheadle. Like, okay? They're like, hey, catch Black Monday with Desus. I was like, that's not even me, man.
Yo. It's like Don Cheadle and what appears to be Will Smith with water weight.
Are they making Bright too? Oh wow!
What's going on here?
Yeah, that Netflix.
He needs to see some sun.
Shout out to us. Number 1 show at late night, still going strong. You know, on Showtime, still there Mondays and Thursdays. We just got the bag from Netflix. We got a new show coming out. It's called Bronx AF. It's going to be starring me and.
And Bad Baby.
Oh wow! But is Bad Baby dressed in drag?
Oh no!
Oh, Bad Bunny. Oh, I'm getting my people confused. There's a big difference there. Yeah. Actually, Bad Baby does dress in drag. I'm gonna say that she dresses in cat was it Blackfishes? Because she had the wild tan the other day. So
it was a lot, bro. She had the black wig on too. I was just like, yo, you're really trying to like dole us on motherfuckers right now.
But then it's one of those things where I was like, I want to roast her, but then I'm just like, yo, is she like 16? Like,
yeah, it's like, yo, you're.
Then it's just like, imagine just being like being a grown adult, and now you outside a schoolyard and you pointing at a kid and roasting him.
Yo, look at this little motherfucker.
Look at this junior high school kid. Like, that doesn't come off the same. You know what I mean?
It's different.
It shit is a lot different. That's what you got to remember in all your Twitter conversations. Like, yo, how would this translate in the real world? Like, you know what I mean? People forget that. Because sometimes people just like get too comfortable and they be like yelling your government name. It's just like, yo, if you did that in the street, I'd punch you.
Yo, for real. Like
I don't know you.
For the bodega, like, yo, chill, relax.
Like, if I was with my boys and you just came all willy-nilly using my government name and I don't know you for, like, you getting stomped out.
Facts. You know what I'm saying? Because then that means that dude could just come on the block and ask the old lady where I live.
Imagine, okay.
She'll say, oh, he lives right there. He's a good boy.
Imagine me, you, Victor, I guess, Die in the North Face. We're all chilling on a corner in the Bronx and we're drinking Hennessy. And somebody just come over like, what's up, Joel?
Oh, no, you're getting toughed out.
How we all reacted? Because that's beef right there. That's not nice. That nigga did not. You heard the intention in his voice.
We gotta like huddle up and be like, yo, should we call Sherry right now? Or should I just dump this nigga and call her after?
Sir, if we're chilling on the corner in the Bronx, there is no PR agency.
Now,
the only PR is the Puerto Rican we hang with. Okay.
This is 2006. I'm duffing him out.
That's the show we need to do. Like, we never got famous, but we still met Victor and Di, Victoria. CB is like my landlady. I'm like, I don't got the money. Yo. I was like, you changed the locks again? I was an hour late. I was an hour late.
That would fuck niggas up if we did that, and it's like the first 3 episodes are like this. Like, yo, we're popping. Like, yo, we're in variety. Da 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 da. Then like the 4th episode is just like,
no. The thing is, no, it gotta just
we're
be
back in the Bronx.
No. Just we never even see that email from Complex.
Just send that shit to the trash.
I'm like, look at this fucking spam. All right,
this is Complex. I'm like, yo, get out of here.
Fuck this shit out of here. Anyway,
be having them click through joints.
Anyway, fuck that. Anyway, let me go to Stanton Social.
Yo, where Cece hit me up, she said she'll give me $100 just to pull up.
I heard they got free tater tots tonight. Let's go.
Yo. I think it was actually $50.
You know what? I'm going downtown. Let me put on my good show toes.
Yo, that was so wild. You could finesse a meal in a couple hours just to pull up somewhere because they needed minorities.
Yep. What a time. What a time to be alive.
What a time.
And you know what it was? Because the bouncer dapped you differently.
Yeah. He's like,
he say something like, it's good to see some of us in the building. You're like, the fucking vibes. Word. Or you walk in there like, nah, big man, you good. You're like, wow. Oh, wow. It was like getting a rose on Favor of Love. Like, yo, shit. Like, wow, I got selected.
Yeah. When I was DJing at Baby's Alright, fucking the bouncer was a Puerto Rican stud. And every time I would throw on bachata, she would look at me and we would like dance like a song or two, and I would just let the shit rock out. And she'd be like, yo, son, this shit is it. Yo, appreciate you, bro, for throwing on my shit. You know what I'm saying? Like, I was like, yo, no doubt. That's what I'm here to do, is just disrupt these white people's time.
I remember it was a future party. Yo, shout out to YC. I seen him there. Shout out to, I seen a couple of people there. But it was way in Brooklyn, and I had just copped a whip. No, I didn't even cop a whip. My sister went out of town, so I was driving her whip. You know, she was like, "Yo, just park in front of the house." I was like, "Yeah, I got you."
Yeah, I'm good.
So I'm doing like 90 on the BQE on 2 tires, like, skirt. And she looked at her Easy Pass. She's like, "How did you?" She's like, "Is this toll from Budapest?" I was like, "Yeah, niggas got lost." But so we go to the Future concert, and they're at capacity. They're like, "Yo, ain't nobody else getting in. There's mad people at the door." And someone was like, "Yo, that's Jesus," and I was like, "Where?" I was like, "Oh shit, that's me, bro." I was like, "Yo, what up?" But it was in that weird period where we were like kind of popping, but we were popped. So going to an event like that, and I was like, "Yo, is there open bar or like is there drink specials?" Like, would it be like there were some of those events? I remember I went to the Vice holiday party and I brought my own beer. Like,
Yo, fam.
and everyone was like, you really came here? And I was like, yeah, like I did. Like,
I feel
was
like
I not
that's like
supposed to?
Desus Mero BA before Amex.
Definitely a big difference. A big difference when you're like, Uber is how much? I'm staying home.
Oh shit! Fuck that! I'm sleeping on this bench.
They talking about they talking about surge. What they talking about? You must be talking about the drink. We don't do surge over here.
When you got the Amex, how reluctant you guys were to use it. You used to tell me to use mine, and I was like, they're all linked to the same account.
Yeah, I didn't know how the Amex works.
Yeah.
Well, I know about, in my mind, like from when I was younger, because someone was like, yeah, you got to pay off the Amex by the end of the month. I just assumed like Russian mobsters come and like break your legs if you don't pay that shit off.
Yo,
Like, it's just Amex squad. Yo,
and the way they broke the shit, the way fucking homie broke it down to me, I was just like, wait, so I gotta like spend money, and that's how they determine how much money I spend, and they just average it and just like come up with a credit limit based on that, like, or is it?
See, the way I learned about
what?
Amex was back in my alleged check fraud days. Well, we had, I'm not gonna say too much. Save it for the movie. But if you have an Amex and it's the right Amex, there is no limit. You can go wild. And one of the people in our check fraud ring purchased 3 Range Rovers with an Amex. But we had a girl that was in the, you know what? I'm not gonna say too much, but it went through. But ultimately, that was his undoing, because if you can buy 3 Range Rovers and pay that back, that's still going to flag a transaction. Like that's not a normal transaction. Unless you were buying and selling Range Rovers, you shouldn't just be buying 3 Range Rovers. Also, if you buy 3 Range Rovers and the shipping address is Soundview Projects, yeah.
That's gonna raise a couple red flags.
A couple red flags is coming up. Unless you're Fresh Montana, that's not happening. They're like, was that sent to Kemba Walker? No?
Yeah.
All right, get in the fucking car. Let's go.
Yeah, fam, I can't believe I really martyred myself on Twitter for Fresh Montana, bro. I hope you hear this, and I hope you appreciate it, my G, because I fell on the sword for you on Twitter, dog. But
you know what?
Tape so hard.
You didn't have to, because people from the Bronx are. If you look through, like we've tweeted this before, we've tweeted Fresh Montana is probably some of the greatest music we've heard because we are from the Bronx. Yeah. You remember Desus versus Mero? All we kept talking about was how good Coke Boys 4 was.
Yeah.
Do you remember that?
Like, yo, this is a classic.
All the people like, who's French Montana? Who's French Montana don't got hits? Y'all were not in the club. Y'all were never in no dangerous club that only goons and women that date goons and female goons could be in. Y'all wasn't in the club on Sunday night, because Sunday night is for who? Hustlers, because they don't got to go to work on Monday morning. All right? You never had In the Wind playing in the background when you bagging up and you got the 4-5 on your mother's kitchen table. All right, you ain't know about that. You ain't know about. You wasn't in Sin City after you beat a gun charge, listening to Marble Floors, spraying Baileys on everybody. You was never in Pink Pussy Cat standing on couches. All right, let's make it clear.
You know what I'm saying?
All right. Y'all be having safe Spotify concerts in your bedroom. All right.
Yo, niggas was not pulling up to the re-up spot, bumping Coke Wave. You know what I'm saying?
And people was like, oh, Kendrick got more bops than French. French pulled up to La Marina.
In a yacht.
Repeatedly. In a yacht.
Skating like a pirate with your thought.
Okay? In a jet ski, huh? I mean, I appreciate Kendrick, but when you want to get stupid,
that's what I said. I was like, yo, when you want to stand the furniture and throw a bottle, French is that guy, bro. Like,
and when you hear that French stuff, I think that's the thing, because people don't have that connection we have. Because when you hear French songs, that you automatically remember a specific time in your Bronx existence. You remember a specific girl, you specific a building, a specific drug transaction, or maybe a specific train ride or a job you didn't like, and that song was the only thing that got you through, so that's why you ride so hard for it. Damn, we spitting hip hop, real hip hop.
Yo, and the Coke Boys 2, 3, 4 mixtapes, dog, with Chinks, like prime Chinks, dog. Yo,
bro,
forget it.
Come on, bro.
Motherfuckers is not fucking with that.
They don't know. They don't know. They wasn't there, bro.
Let me be in a fucking club or some shit and fucking Shot Caller comes on and you hear them trumpets like. And since we know about real hip hop.
By the way,
that's the Underground song sample.
You said what?
Have a feature, right?
Shot Caller, no feature.
No feature.
Exactly.
Unless you count Charlie Rock, which is one of the Coke boys. You know what I'm
They
saying?
don't know. They wasn't there. They wasn't there for the deep cuts.
Like, come on, man. What? Woo!
They don't know about mixtape French.
Come on, son. Come on, son. Yo, French and Harry Fraud, dog, untouchable. Cracks and flavors, totems, Mother Nature.
Oh, I was so ashy back then. I'm talking about driving. I'm talking about the old bet. I remember I was so wild when I lost a bag in my package and I had to pull over with a flashlight to find a $20 bag of. You know what? I'm gonna stop that story. Stop that story right there. That went too far.
Him and Max, bro, forget it.
That was magic right there, bro.
Yo, man.
That was that turns me into an old Yankee fan when I'm talking about old Coke Boy stuff, bro. All right, me and Mero, we was there. Y'all wasn't there, bro. And now he got the new joint. He's trying to get. I can't play it on this, but he got some joints going. You know what I'm saying? He got some new joints.
Yeah, he always throws out joints, and you know what it is? It's like, I get it. Like, people are like, yo, but yeah, we gonna be all right, and Backseat Freestyle and Good Kid, Mad City. Or Mad City, whatever the song was.
But you know what? It's like the same way, I think, not to cut you off, but the same way we have like intense emotions to those songs, they have that for those songs.
Yeah, of course.
You know what I'm saying? So it's fair. That's hip hop. That's hip hop. So you can never battle. You can never be like, this person's better than another person. Let's talk about Jay-Z. In which case, he's better than everybody. Yeah, he's the GOAT. Okay, just stop.
That's it.
Stop it. I will slap you in your face. And you know what? If I hear any Jay-Z disrespect, I will shoot you in your leg. If that guarantees me and Mero passage to the Rock Brunch. And if the Rockefeller Nation Brunch is not held on Zoom this year, that is not acceptable. We do not want that. Do not invite us on SNL. Bro. Do not invite us at the Met Gala. And do not invite us to Rock Nation Brunch if it's through a fucking Zoom window. That's disrespectful.
That's
all right?
foul, B. You don't really fuck with us if you do that.
Listen, we got to be there in the courtyard in Venice or wherever they have it. I need to bother Memphis Bleak, be like, yo, where's the Tupperware, my nigga?
Yo,
taking the shit to go.
I need the recyclable fucking box so I guess it takes to go.
I need to be like, yo, Beyonce, yo, Big, yo, Beyonce, yo, Beyonce, you sing
real quick, yo, jump in the real quick.
Yo, Beyonce, 6-inch heels, yo.
Yo, speaking of Beyonce, fucking did this not controversy, but people talking about her verse.
Oh yeah, she dropped a new verse, the Savage remix, with Megan Thee Savage,
Megan Stallion,
Megan Thee Stallion. Yeah, and a lot of right wing people are tweeting that Beyonce hates America because they see Beyonce's trending. So if they do a tweet about Beyonce, they come up in the trend results. So they're just trying to, you know what I'm saying? They're clout chasing, bro.
Yeah,
they're clout chasing. Did you see your
people saying that Hov wrote her verse for the shit? And I'm like, so what? Like, what if he did? So who cares?
Well, still, I mean, I'm not saying that it's
like she's like a rapper, nigga. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Well, you know what? As a men's right activist, I don't like to see a woman stand too tall and like, No, but in real news, shout out to Mero's cousin is dropping new music. That's right, May 8th. Tekashi 6ix9ine.
Yo.
He put it on Instagram. He's like, yo, I'm dropping new music. This is the real distinction between like old school and new school. And I don't mean old school like Juice Crew, Rakim. I mean old school like me and Mero. Niggas that was in bad Rikers Island, you know what I'm saying? When the Rikers Island Coochie rap and Noriega rapped about.
For real.
And new niggas. Cause you ain't gonna see me out here
when you get there, don't get molested.
Okay? Rikers Island. All right? If you ever at one point in your life sharpened the toothbrush on concrete just in case, you know what I'm saying?
If you took a piece of linoleum off the floor of bookings and just tucked it in your waistband because it's sharp.
There you go. You know? I don't want to age myself, but maybe I did use a traffic light as a broken traffic light as a weapon in front of Spy. But you know what? That's here nor there. That's here nor there. But yeah, like I'm not two-stepping into Tekashi rhymes, but what if Tekashi makes like some hot rhymes about snitching?
Some fire.
What if he makes a song about summer? He makes a song of the summer, and it's called Rat on Him. Oof. Got Tory Lanez on there.
Yeah, niggas like rat on him, baby. Yo, but he got permission to do a music video too in his backyard. That's the crazy shit.
That's the crazy shit. But Zoom. This is a hot take. Zoom music videos don't hit the same. I grew up watching Victory. I need to see $1 million wasted on a music video. I need to see Puffy driving backwards in the Bentley with people on motorcycles trying to shoot him and him hanging on garbage trucks while Busta Rhymes goes, "Where's all my niggas at? Where's all my niggas at?" Yo,
the jacket wore like a fur, but it was all black feathers, and he was like, he had the squat on like he was a gargoyle. That was video.
Yeah, where my niggas is at? Where my niggas is at? Where my real live niggas? Where my niggas is at?
We got that real live shit from front to back.
Also, we said this earlier on the podcast. I am 1,000% sure Busta Rhymes was not scheduled to be in that recording session. I feel like Busta Rhymes was walking by and was like, "Oh, y'all doing a verse? I'll come in. Where my niggas is at? Where my niggas is at? Who's in here? Where's my niggas at?" They're like, "Busta, the mic is hot."
He's like, "I know, nigga, because I'm spitting hot."
Also, here's a hip hop memory for y'all. Remember when Busta Rhymes and Eminem did a song dissing, I want to say, was it Ja Rule over a Tupac beat?
Oh no, it wasn't. Oh, no, that was 50 Cent that did the Hail Mary.
Oh, 50 Cent. Yeah, wow, yeah. That was. Yeah,
that was different.
Wait, so it was 50 Cent, Eminem, and Busta against
Ja Rule, and that's it, and like Cadillac Tom.
Got you. Yeah, that was. I was like, I want to say that
kind of a lopsided battle, dog.
I want to say that was a moment in hip hop, but saying that means that would discredit moments. Like saying that's a moment in hip hop is like saying like Lumidee like invented hooks. And like,
facts. It's like, yo, she's like, nigga. She might have tripped on a cable and stumbled on a hook. No pun.
All Lumidee did was say what I say when I drop a blunt. Like,
and the same sing-songy voice and everything. Like, yo, and you don't even need auto-tune.
It's like when you drop the blunt, but it drops on your shirt and you don't want it to burn. You're like, promise me you won't burn through my nice H&M shirt.
I only got one and I ain't have to wash it yet.
I say, Sarah, your bitch is shop at Zara. It's like, oh shit. People don't realize that. See, that's another regional thing because people just like that song is just okay. Play that song in the Bronx.
Oh my God.
Listen, there's a hot take. We kept this on the low. Ambulances in the Bronx play Lumidee's instead of the ambulance sound.
Oh yeah.
Okay? All the time. So like nothing sad. Like you come outside, all you hear is you're like, damn, another person passed. Oh, damn, dog.
Put your hand over your heart and shit. Like,
that's what we do. In order to honor essential workers at 7 p.m., everyone in the Bronx comes outside and we sing Lumidee. That's what we do. I usually started with a baritone. I'm like, promise me you can tell. I'm gonna tweet that out. So it's like, hi, I work for Fox News. Can I use the rights to this likeness in this viral clip on all Fox News likenesses all over the world for permission and permutation forever? And I'm like, no. Like, can I get some money for that?
Yo.
And then, like, they're always like, they're like, can we? Oh, shout to them. No, not shout to them because that's anti-black. You don't want to see two black women lose their jobs. Yeah, but Diamond and Silk,
they're gonna get paid though. They're gonna get paid.
Diamond and Silk. Come, Diamond Silk, come join the Bodega Boys podcast.
Let's go.
Oh my gosh, should that be a segment on the show? We take
Bodega Boys Crossfire.
Yeah,
Diamond and Silk. Yo, what?
Diamond and Silk, come on, Desus and Mero. We're gonna take you to the Bronx like Anna Kendrick because people say we do the same shit anyway. So why not? Hey,
let's go.
Hey, oh wow, Diamond and Silk. Are you wearing Tim's? Here's a chopped cheese. You guys can see it. You guys can see it. You guys are sick of it, and you guys want it. Okay,
you want it. You want it so bad.
You guys want the CBS show where me and Mero get smacked in Vegas, and we wake up with wedding rings on, and I'm like, bro, do we marry each other? And then Diamond and Silk come out. Diamond and Silk come out the bathroom in lingerie. We're like, oh no,
no.
And then Heather calls, and like the whole movie is like we're trying to balance like. That, you know what? That's an amazing movie. Yeah. That's an amazing fucking movie.
Yeah. It's like fucking The Hangover. We're trying to curve Heather the whole time and shit. Like, yo, now,
Heather's like, are you married to her? Heather's like, Mero, are you married to her? And Mero's like, no, Desus is a polygamist. I'm like, what why would you say that? Oh my God. I'm like, oh my God. come on, I only bought one salad spinner. Now I gotta buy two. Oh, what are you doing?
Yo, they're gonna cash out somewhere else though.
You know they're gonna but they're gonna do that weird thing that people who get kicked off of Fox do, and they do like an online show before online shows were cool, like ours. And
Facts.
you know, and then they be going hard because they have like 50 viewers. I was like, relax, bro. Bro, I get 50 viewers when I accidentally open Instagram Live. Like, calm down.
For real, seriously.
Calm down.
I'll be just fucking scrolling through the shit and hit the live by accident, like trying to look at myself in, like as a mirror, and then hit the live by accident, like, oops.
The best thing to do with a verified Instagram account is just hop on people's lives that don't expect it. Because you can see their face change and they get wild nervous. They're like, oh shit, Jesus. Oh, shit. Hey, Jesus. I love the show. Oh, wow. You're holding it down. Like, shout out to Mero. Brandon Strong. You know what? We're about to play Lean Back right now. Do, do, do. I'm like, Elizabeth Warren, you don't have to do this. You don't. Okay? Is that my knucker, Jesus? Oh, we had such a good time in the panic room. I'm like, Elizabeth.
Like,
Elizabeth,
relax.
Should we start recording these?
Yo.
Bodega Hive, let us know. If you want us to record these Zoom sessions, you can, hit us up, 1-800-223-9797.
You know the vibes.
You know what I'm saying? Ask for Ebro. Demand to speak to Ebro and say, Ebro, I want visuals for the Bodega Boys podcast. If he says, I don't know what you're talking about, keep screaming at him, what's the frequency, Kenneth? And
yes. You know what I'm saying?
Just keep doing that over and over.
He'll know what
over
it is.
And over.
Even if he hangs up on you, call back.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
That's just us causing havoc. Also, we're proud to announce, shout out to Cash App, always holding us down. Cash App has decided, even though it's a coronavirus, we want things in life to be as normal as possible. And they were like, Jesus, how can you and Mero help the Bodega Hive? Like, should we bring back Bodega Bucks and pay people that way? And I was like, that's cool. Or we're going to do the Met Gala, but we're going to do it from a Met supermarket in the Bronx.
Facts.
So we're spending the money on decorations. Anna Wintour is there. She said the theme is all black Air Force Ones low. Yep. So that's a challenge because I had an outfit for the highs. But, we're working around that.
You know what I'm saying? We got some 3/4 length trousers. You know what I'm saying? We got some gauchos.
All right.
You know what I'm saying? We got a lot of different paying options.
I don't want to say anything. I saw, earlier on a Zoom, and I don't want to put Mero on the spot. He was trying on calf length Air Force Ones. Yeah. So, I mean,
you know what I'm saying? And I got big
satirical looks.
You know what I'm saying? We're out here.
He got bottle waitress calves.
I'm curvaceous. You know what I'm
saying? He has calves
I'm not sure.
He has calves people fly to other countries for.
You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
Dr. Miami, eat your heart out.
Mero's thighs, and his calves, usually when you see that, the girl that has it, her belly button is not in its original position.
It's not at all. It looks like a hyphen.
Okay, all right. And there's like a weird tattoo that looks like an eagle smashed into her stomach.
Oh, but yeah. That's like, and it's wild because it's like, I'd rather just see your belly button like 45 degrees off.
Nah, I respect the ones that are like, I got that done. What? Move on. I'm like, you know what? You're right, Ma.
Yeah, you're right. Throw the wild tat over the scar, Ma. I respect it.
Or when people are like,
know what time it is.
People like natural bodies only, and they're like, it is my natural body. I just got work done to it. And I'm like, point.
True. Yeah.
Point.
Like, low key, if you get the fat transfer shit, you really just like, you just moving shit around.
It's no different. It's like, if you don't like your sofa on one wall in your living room and you move it to a different window, is that still your sofa? That's still your living room.
It's still your living room.
Should we, in solidarity, should we start doing cosmetic surgery on ourselves using YouTube?
I'm down. I'm down to get
How hard is lipo?
Right now.
We could do lipo, right?
Yeah, we definitely do lipo.
Because I'm doing this Peloton shit, but if I could just do lipo, I'm going to ride this bike no more.
Yeah, nah. You can just ride it for fun.
Because that's what Drake and allegedly French Montana did. That's how they got their six packs.
The six packs? Yo, listen. Niggas come out here with six packs and we start doing the live shows with the shirt off. Woo! Nigga, whole different demo. Whole different demo coming in.
Nigga, I'm coming out with dick packs. Okay? Y'all ready for that.
He's like, yo. Nigga, balls got biceps.
Yeah.
Nigga, balls is flexing like,
I'm just going to drop my pants and my dick's going to be moving like Terry Crews. Like, yo.
Like,
yo. That might start this inappropriate.
And shit. Mad panties getting thrown like, oh my
God. Flex it.
Yeah. Yeah, niggas start playing Big Money Wine and shit.
Big Money Wine. Just got his shit jiggling. Like, yo.
Yeah, I'm so smacked. I thought we were like on video, like we had a video going, and I was going to be like, "Yo, those denim J's, what are those?" Because I got those for Adrian, but I don't know what they are.
Yeah, they're like the Canadian tuxedo suit Jordans. This is because Jordan, Jordan be wearing some wild shit. So this is based on like a suit he wore. These shits is tacky as fuck. But you know what?
I kind of fuck with them though. I feel like I'm definitely tacky there because I'm like, yo, those are kind of fire. Because he chose them on his own. I was like, okay.
They're tacky, but if you pull them off in the right outfit, it's one of the things my mother made me learn early on. Because I remember it was a pair of Adidas, but they were like canvas and they were like peach color, not hard peach. They were more canvas color. And my mother was like, if you get those, nothing else you have matches those. So every day when you wear, your sneakers are not gonna match your clothing. She was like, "You ready for that? Because they're gonna say something at school." And I was like, "Yo, I gotta get these looks off."
Yeah.
And then when I came back home crying, it was like, "Can we go back to Modell's?" Mom, they're cooking me.
Yo, let me just get some ones.
Mom, they asking how my glasses stay on if they not resting on my ears. I can't live like this.
Let me just get some ups, yo, please. Let me get black joints.
I remember one time I went to Modell's in Yonkers and I tried to return some sneakers. My mother was like, "Just go and return it yourself." And I went there and the lady was like, "Are you here with an adult?" And I was like, "No." She was like, "You can't return anything." And I was like, "What do you mean?" She was like, "You can't return anything."
Fuck out
of here. You're a teenager. And I was like,
"That's
no." And she was like, "Yes, next." And I was like, "Oh, wow.
Foul.
Wow.
Did you filthy?
Disgusting, bro." Oh, oh, wow. You hate to see it. I just got a text from, hate this. It's my friend Michael. He said, "Tell Mero shut his bitch ass mouth. I would wash LeBron in any finals I played him in."
Wow.
He said that you reaching on Twitter is worse than my acid wash boot cuffs. Suck it from the back. Sincerely, MJ. Haha. Double down on 20. Okay, so
he's the GOAT. He's the GOAT for that. Yeah. Nah.
So you were saying that LeBron playing against Jordan doesn't get rings?
No. So this is the thing. Somebody said if you put LeBron on every team that Jordan faced in the finals during the three-peat era, right? Like the Jazz with Karl Malone and John Stockton and those dudes, the Supersonics with Sean Kemp and Gary Payton, the Suns with fucking I think it was like Dan Marley and fucking Charles Barkley, prime Charles Barkley. If you throw
this point is important though, not to cut you off. The person who said this is Max Kellerman, as you were.
Yeah, facts. So he's just saying incendiary shit. You know what I'm saying? So like what he said was if you put LeBron on those teams, that Jordan's team is still beating him. And I'm like, yo, you're bugging, fam. I'm like, yo, if you take the 14th guy on the bench and you put in LeBron, and you got LeBron, Charles Barkley, fucking all these, like, you know what I'm saying? But think about the Supersonics. Sean Kemp, Gary Payton, LeBron James, Detlef Schrempf. Just those four dudes. Like, yeah, they washing the Bulls because the Bulls had Mike, they had Scotty, they had Horace, they had Rodman. You know what I'm saying? But then after that, it was like, who was it?
Wouldn't a more realistic question be like you'd have to remove a superstar from those teams and replace that superstar with LeBron? Then would the team fare? Because if you're just adding LeBron to any team, that's it. You know what? Here's the best example. Adding LeBron to any team is literally what every one of us has done anytime we've gotten a copy of NBA Live and we've created our character.
Facts.
Okay? When Desus Nice comes off the bench with the sunglasses he wears for the whole game because he's shooting threes at 99%, things become a little lopsided. Okay, as someone whose created character has played against Jordan and dropped 179 points in the first half, I see the problem here. They're like, how tall? They're like, I'm like, my character's 6'9". He's 6'9". He's 6'9" with a 99% dribble.
I be playing myself because I'm like, nah, making my nigga realistic. So I'll make him 6'2", and then I make everything else a 99, and I'm like, that's not realistic.
That's even worse when you do your real height and everything's now you like you yanking it on LeBron and shit like
6'2", yamming it on everybody.
You 5'9", you throwing LeBron shit to like the third row. You do it, and then you guys like turn off like offensive fouls so you can get a little more body in there, and you push it through, like you knocking down you knocking down like 4 niggas, and you're like, yo,
you come through the lane and just knock down Joel Embiid. You're 5'9", 185 pounds. You're like, yo, get the fuck out of here. You knock down Shaq. on the all-time Lakers team.
Nothing's better than when your creative character is like mad small, but they does doing the animations where they talk shit, or like they do a dunk and like, oh, you're like,
what's good?
Talk that shit, nigga.
And shit.
Or like Doris Burke at halftime is like, wow, you generally don't see this on the Knicks, but Desus Nice has gone off for 78 points in the first half. Who would have thought that happened? And just see like the computer's processing to come up with something that is not making any sense. Because the whole game, Doris Burke is saying how bad the Knicks are. Meanwhile, my guy has hit 19 threes in a row.
And you're up by 38 points.
Oh, shout out to Knicks fans. We're sad.
Yo, shout out to the niggas that really play 2K for real. And because those games are kind of boring to watch because the final score is always like 22-19.
Yeah, because they play they're playing real defense. They run a play. A game of 2K is not real unless you accidentally shoot the ball from underneath the other hoop by accident because you were trying to pass it. You gotta do that at least once a game. You gotta do that at least once a game just to set the tempo. Just let people know you don't play that regularly.
Like, yo, I'm smacked. I'm sorry. You gotta say that shit right into the mic. Yo,
you gotta do that and be like, yo, this controller work? Why you gave me the bad controller?
Yo, what the fuck?
Yo, switch controllers, bro.
Yo, why you gave me the Mad Cat shit? Come on, stop playing, bro. You got the refurbished shit. Come on.
So let's see. Movies ain't coming back. Books are still here, but books are canceled. Let's see. Sports aren't coming back.
Well, they're talking about, and I really hope they do this
about the basketball at Disney World, right?
Yeah, that but like I was more hyped off the them canceling school altogether and stop doing the homeschooling shit. Yeah, because then I could just be like, yo, and just like have to do her thing with the kids, and I could just lay back. Because the that shit is a pain in the ass, bro. Like it's like office work. Right. It's like, yo, submit this Google Doc, fill this Google Doc out, submit it, and I'm just like, yo, this is a lot, bro. Like,
you know what you need to do? You need to take your kids out in the back at like 5 a.m. start doing jujitsu with them.
Like, yo, facts. I'm about to do that tonight.
Yeah,
that's a good idea.
Listen, post a wild TikTok of your daughter busting a 4x4 plank with her forehead. Right? And at the end, you just tag the Ellen Show. I was like, yeah. I'm sure Showtime will be fine with that. Like,
then I go on Ellen and be like, yo, pay your staff, bitch. And then run off.
Wow. Why would you say something so controversial and right? Wow. That's how you know. That's how you know when you're rich. If someone's like, hey, I got a wild idea. Why don't you pay your workers? You're like, whoa.
Take it easy.
Once again, I'm getting attacked for introducing new ideas into the chat. Like,
hold your horses, pal.
Wait, whoa. Pay my workers? Why? What work have they done? And he's like, they're literally called workers. He's like, got to do the Weebay gift, like
they're like, shit,
I get it.
Okay, I understand now.
Can I pay them like half of what they usually get?
A little bit.
You know what I'm saying? Because I know Tom's is really bad, and like I'm stuck here in my $64 million mansion, so maybe I only pay them 12%.
You know what I mean?
Hold up, you're breaking up. I'm on my second basketball court. Let me try the third one. It got better reception.
Let me take my golf court over there.
Justin Timberlake, drop that ball. Justin Timberlake is quarantining here. I'm sorry.
He's wild. Yeah, he just be doing vocal runs by the fridge and shit.
Do you know Cry Me a River is about not vaccinating your kids? Anyway, what were you saying?
Yo, that was a wild sub to Britney Spears, right? Was it Britney Spears? Who was they fucking with?
Well, it was Britney Spears.
I just would like to clarify something. You know, when you say sub, sub means something, subconscious, not openly overt. The video had him breaking into Britney Spears' house, following a girl who looked exactly like Britney Spears. Right after. But if you actually look through Twitter, like he was actually the wild jerk to Britney Spears, and he was like gaslighting her and saying like wild shit to her.
Oh wow.
You know what? JTT gets a lot of pass because he made Ayo technology. So
facts.
That's the one.
Listen, you come to me with the word. He doesn't vaccinate his kids. His restaurant had mad food poisoning, even though we ate there, we didn't die. Yo, he's a terrible person. But let Ayo technology come on. You like, this is what aliens are gonna fuck to. Wow.
Yo, I don't know, like, cause I can't call it, bro.
Ayo.
Yo, man. Yo, that's just. I mean, that's a banger. But it's what. Yo, who should Justin Timberlake battle?
Blackness? I don't know.
1, 2, 3, 4. Liberty.
Every
I
team.
mean, yo, shouldn't NSYNC battle Backstreet Boys?
Oh,
That shit would go
Yeah.
off.
Since he was really from the streets.
Yeah.
For real. A real hood shit.
Hood shit, hood shit, real pop shit.
She do the right thing and touch the right spots and dance on your lap till you ready to pop. She always ready. She want it like
Wow.
oh, I show you where to meet her.
Right. 50 man.
Excuse me, Ma. Can I interest you in another glass of Hypnotic?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh
shit.
man.
Yeah.
Oh.
The fucking Jordan doc is like half the timeline right now, bro.
There's nothing else on. There's people watching it who've never watched basketball whatsoever
in their lives, and you can tell that the takes are fuego.
But you gotta, I mean, well, we lived through that. So if you're just seeing it, you're like, wow, he looks superhuman. We're gonna have to live through this again in, I want to say, 30 years when they do the LeBron documentary.
Oh man, that's gonna be wild.
That's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna text Mero. And I'll be like to his nursing assistant, hey, put Mero on the holograph Zoom.
Yeah, what's
Put Mero
up,
on the
bro?
holograph Zoom.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Hey,
you
Mero.
see LeBron doc, bro?
Wow, Mero, can you believe we've been inside for 47 years? That's crazy, bro.
It's crazy. It's crazy.
That's what
You know?
bro.
But they give me my weed capsules every day, so I'm fucking flying right now, man.
Bro, can you believe they brought back Backpage, but just for sunlight? Like, bro,
wow.
it's crazy.
Yeah,
bro.
I paid 35 roses for some GFE yesterday, man.
Yo, I paid this girl to bring me some cut grass, and I sniffed it, bro. It was
Amazing.
It was amazing. Anyway,
Yeah.
so are you gonna watch this LeBron hologram tonight on ESPN 55?
Oh man, I can't wait, man. I'm gonna wear extra Depends because I know I'm gonna shit my pants when the D Wade dunk happens. You know?
That's wild, bro. I mean, they never found the vaccine for coronavirus, and so like the body I'm in now is gonna die, but they're gonna transfer me via SD card to a new one. I think Hasan's coming over to do it later, so I'll meet up with you, bro.
All right, holla at me.
Bro, I still can't believe that Victor really fused himself with a Tesla. Like,
Yo, that's wild, bro.
That's wild, bro.
Yeah,
He passed by my house honking the other day. Like, I felt bad, but I'm happy he's living his true life, bro.
I rode him outside the other day. Hey, yo.
Hey, yo, bro. Hey, yo, bro.
I was like, let's go in ludicrous mode. He was
Hey,
like,
bro.
What do you think I am?
Bro, you said you rode him? Pause. I gotta explain to my robot nurse attendant what pause means because I said that and she apparently has paused the stream of Vicodin going through my. Oh, shit.
Hey, hello? All right, I'm out of here.
That's right. Our new show coming to the CW. It's called the Octarian Boys. It's called the Problematic Bowel Movement Boys. Like, that would be amazing. Like if that, you know what? I'm going to watch what I say. But if this was the '80s, we could get away with a very problematic. We could. We could have been in we could have been in Disorderlies. We could have been in Police Academy. We could have been in Ghostbusters.
Oh God,
nigga, that mermaid movie with Kim Cattrall? Was it Kim Cattrall? No, it wasn't Kim Cattrall. Kim Cattrall was in Mannequin.
Was it Kate Bosworth?
It looks like her.
Huh?
Kate Bosworth?
Was that?
Oh, no.
For the mermaid? Well, I mean, there was a movie where the guy fell in love
about.
with the mannequin that turned to real and light at night, and there was the guy, he fell in love with the mermaid, and she could like magically perform legs. We could do both. We could have done both those movies.
Facts.
Yeah.
Bro, we could have done Big. Bro, imagine
we could have did all the short circuits.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? We could have been well problematic. Like you were allowed to be well problematic.
We could have done Big, and like you could have made out with an adult woman, but that's normal life in the Bronx. So I mean, that's not really that impressive. Like, we just out here, we just talking the real. We just saying, Like... Am I wrong? Am I wrong?
Listen, you're not lying.
I'm not lying.
I mean, it's a fact.
If I'm lying, I'm crying, and you see my eyes are dry, Daddy.
That's right, baby.
Shout out to all the graduates that are graduating this year. This is your graduation ceremony.
Word.
Take the little string, put it on one side, put it on the other side. You done. Boom.
Yeah,
next.
damn. It's definitely gonna be like via Zoom, right?
Do Zoom. Also,
everything's a dub until like.
Here's a hot Jesus. Here's a hot Jesus projection. The new advertising, the new form of advertising will be interstitial ads before you enter your Zoom chat room. It's coming.
Oh yeah,
it's coming. Or or they're gonna start doing free Zoom rooms that have like banner ads or ads that overlay over the whole room for like 30 seconds, and you're gonna be like, why would I use that? But then it's just like, if you don't want that, you have to pay. Ooh. What if Zoom fucks around and becomes a new Facebook? And that sounds ridiculous, but everything is being done through Zoom. Hollywood is being done through Zoom. Schools, hospitals, all types of stuff. It's weird. It's almost as if someone had something to gain and knew that we would need Zoom.
Wow. The Unsolved Mysteries music on right now.
Mm-hmm. Maybe if someone, I don't know, created something in a lab and also had a vaccine and then gave the vaccine to a certain population that owns stuff, and they're over here willy-nilly walking around having press conferences without masks, and the rest of us are dying, and billionaires are getting richer while their companies are closed. So what's going on? Open your third eye. Open your third eye.
That's right. It's right.
Okay.
Teach these devils.
Okay. I didn't want to say this.
Teach these financial devils.
Coronavirus was created by Lisa Frank to combat the declining sales of Trapper Keepers.
That's right. Talk about it. They don't want to talk about it. They're not ready for that. All right.
When was the last time you seen a unicorn and a rainbow? You haven't. They've gone out of fashion. Okay?
You know why they haven't seen it, brother? Because they third eye is fully calcified.
It's closed. Okay. Me and Mero have video. As Lisa Frank, she's like, fucking Zoom. Zoom's over, bro. We going back to Trapper Keepers. All right. Any Velcro rips on this side of Manhattan, I get a dime.
That's right.
That's right.
Hold this fucking multicolored goldfish.
Okay. People don't know about the Trapper Keeper Mafia.
Oh, nah, not at all. Y'all niggas don't know about that. That fucking August, September rush, back to school flow. Y'all niggas don't know about that.
They don't remember how, like, back in the 90s at school, like, you get a brand new Trapper Keeper, you go to school, and some goons would break the third ring on your Trapper Keeper. And they'd be like, oh, I'm sorry, I guess you're going to have to buy some reinforcements. And you're like, oh, wow.
Wow. That's fucked up, dog.
Wow.
Now I gotta go through putting reinforcements on every piece of paper. That's fucked up.
Wow. That's not even that's not why I bought it. Wow, it'd be a real shame if you had to punch your own holes. Like, wow.
Wow. You gonna do me like that? Right.
Wow.
Bet.
Oh, wait, so I gotta
after school.
I gotta punch. Just not even gonna punch 3 holes at one time. I gotta punch holes one at a time. Like, I'm a human. They're not gonna line up. Like, my paper's gonna look weird in the binder. Why would you do this to me?
Yeah, they used to piss me off so bad when my paper was like misaligned on my binder.
It pissed everyone off. Because remember, in the beginning of the semester, you had a brand new binder. You had like the tabs with the color tabs, and you wrote the subjects in and put them in, and you were like, "I'm gonna be a good student." And you went to that first homeroom class, you was like, "Nah, fuck that. Let's cut." Yeah, nigga.
Yeah.
They're like, "Yo,
fucking binder up."
Back in high school, you needed just the easiest reason to cut class. They was like, "Yo, they just put a fresh head of chopped iceberg lettuce out in Blimpies." You like, "Let's go."
Let's go, nigga. Fuck that. Yo,
they was like, yo,
White Castle sober? Let's go.
Yo, my nigga, Wendy's got a double cheeseburger for $1. I was like, say less. Let's go.
Yeah.
Let's go. They was like, yo, that basketball court on West 4th Street, people be playing basketball there. I was like, let's go. Let's go.
Yo, word. Let's go play basketball.
Fuck that.
That was the shit.
I don't need to know about no finance. Fuck that.
Fuck that shit.
Yeah. Fuck that. I ain't gonna use that shit. Fuck what y'all teaching me about Zoom for? I'm never gonna use Zoom in my life. I'm out of here. Fuck that.
Fuck that Zoom. Shit's corny.
Zoom.
Nigga, Zoom.
Let me ask you something. Jesus ever use Zoom?
Huh?
Oh wow.
Is it in scripture?
Imagine if the Last Supper was through Zoom. That shit would not have the same effect, bro.
Shit got Zoom bombed. Niggas just come through and start drawing mad dicks, sharing the screen, playing Pino.
Don't
Jesus
do dicks on the Messiah. What's wrong with
Jesus, kick him. Jesus, kick him. What the fuck?
Yo, Judas, what are you laughing at? Your mic is muted. Judas. Yo, Judas, your mic. What's it? Peter, hit that nigga.
Who's he talking to?
Who's talking? He's counting coins.
Why is he counting coins?
He's counting like 30 silver coins. What's the?
Yo, Judas, this ain't a restaurant. It's a supper. It's our supper.
Why is he just stuck his tongue out and gave us a middle finger and left the call. So
what the fuck? Is that a Roman helmet?
I don't know. Anyway, we're supposed to meet up with him in the Mount Olives after this.
Yeah, fuck this. Yeah, fuck it.
All right. Peter, could you share your screen? That painting ain't the same. That painting is not the same.
Yeah. Should have just cubes. Should have just made squares. Should look like fucking what the fuck is that stupid game show called?
Hollywood
is it
Squares?
called Celebrity Squares? Hollywood Squares.
Hollywood Squares. Not to be confused with the completely unique and completely unrelated Viacom product.
Yeah.
Hip Hop Squares.
Yeah. Totally different. Yeah, totally different thing.
I can't sleep at night because I need a circle in the middle. Like, no, that's not. Hey, in this square we got one of the Olsen twins. Over here we got Sinbad, and over here we got West Coast Chanel. All right, let's go. It's like see, it would be a good show if they're asking like hard hip hop questions. It was like exactly how many words per minute was Inspector Deck spitting on Above the Clouds. And people were like, oh wow,
shit, wow, this is real hip hop.
Can I get some paper? They should be like, yo, before you were just Bow Wow, his name was originally. And they go to Michael Blackson. He's like, I don't know. And you're like, all right.
Motherfucker, I don't know about this.
Well, you know what? I usually trust Michael Blackson, but I'm going to have to say I disagree. We laugh now, but once Hollywood comes back, we'll go. Listen, if you want us in those terrible shows, you let us know. We are down.
Holla at us, yo.
We will be in ridiculousness. We will be in Hip Hop Squares. We will be in 700 Club. We will do 60 Minutes. If you want us to say allegations against somebody, we'll do that.
Facts.
It's whatever.
You know what I'm saying? Court TV. Not even Court TV.
Every court show. Judge Mathis, Judge Karen, Paternity Court, Judge Judy. I'll even go on Judge Judy with a pit bull and pretend I don't know it's a pit bull. And she'll be like, what kind of dog is that? And I'm like, it's a basset hound.
Yo, we gotta hit the fucking Univision and fucking hit Caso Cerrado and have you be the fucking guest judge and shit. And then P.O. comes out, he's like, I ate her ass, she was my child. Yo, my man did an episode of that show. It's like a fugazi, it's like a fully bullshit.
The one where he pretended to be a kid, right?
Yes, that was out of control.
We should do that. And then like, I could just stand there the whole time like, what are y'all saying? What'd she say?
You gotta be the bailiff and just make bad faces like, nah, man, this is fucked up.
Who? And like, can you go get the paper from him? I'll just stand there like, who, me? Oh, I mean, yo? Is that how we say it? I gotta use all my Bronx Spanish. I'm like, ven aquí.
Yo.
Ven aquí, c'est bon. Ven aquí. Ven aquí. S-O-C-K-S? Huh? Hey, dame la biblioteca. Give it here. Dame.
Give me that.
Dame cuto fritos. I'm not saying it again. Okay? Ooh, you're getting my pernil up. Tired of this. Tired of you mofungos. They're like, he's doing slurs, but they're not offensive necessarily to this culture, but
they're delicious.
So, Bodega Hive, we would just like to remind you that we want you to reopen America. And we want you to get outside, you know what I'm saying? Do not let the government use social distancing to take away your rights. People telling you to stay inside are no better than Nazis. And we want you to get outside, get that.
Oh, my God.
Mero, I went to the bathroom. With I think another Zoom. I think we got Zoom bombed.
Yeah. Oh, shit. Damn. That's wild.
Some wild shit. Like,
damn. Yo, it's not gonna make this shit private.
Wow. That makes it sound, because they're like private Zoom meetings, and that reminds me of those 900 numbers. Like, hey, Daddy, you call now for a private hot conversation.
Remember the Robin Bird show?
Yeah.
How they used to have the fucking 1-900 numbers in between as commercials? Yeah. Yo, they had the wild shit. They had the fucking shit with Janet Jackman spinning her titties in a circle. Then they had the fucking shit with
get her P.D. Pablo on. Like, yeah.
Then they had the which one was it? It was hilarious though. It was like a way over the top like gay one where it was just like, do you like it hard and deep? Then call 1-800-DEEP-TOOL. If you like a deep tool. I was like, yo, my man's going hard.
You kids don't know about the nasty promos before that used to be in the beginning of porn DVDs.
Yo, what?
Or porn VHS, say? Because they was like, we don't know what kind of porn you enjoy, so we are promoting all our porn right here. They were like, hey, do you like deep wet pussies or big hard cocks? And you're like 15, you're like, oh my God, this is gonna turn me gay. What am I doing? I can't close my eyes. I can't see this. I can't sleep at night. I got porn in my face.
Oh man!
Just to go, like shout out the armed forces and essential workers, But people who used to watch Pino on VHS, wow. You know how loud that is?
Yo, first of all,
that's not opening. That's you people just open an incognito browser tab, okay?
Yo.
These people had to like open the cardboard, click open the VHS, fast forward, turn to channel 3, and then like fast forward to your scene, and like even the fast forwarding makes sense, like sounds. Bro,
there's no way you could just like you can't. There's nothing you can hit. Because even to just stop the image from appearing on screen, because if you hit stop, it's gonna stop right there.
It's gonna stop right there.
Eject, the video's gonna pop out. It's gonna say "Big Wet Butts" fucking part 5, and you will get your ass beat.
Oh, and then think about it, because like right now you got YouTube, you know, you got porn and stuff. You got all these stuff. You got X Hamster and stuff.
Pornhub
so
and
you go there. There's like 65 million porn videos. Fam, if you owned 10 VHS porn tapes and your boo found out,
oh my
god,
nigga,
you are a sociopath.
Yeah, it's like
you know how much space that takes up.
You're a pervert. That's half the closet.
They're telling your whole family. They're telling your family. They're telling your pastor. They're telling the kids. This nigga's nasty.
Yeah, my mom said that shit. My pops had one Playboy in his nightstand and shit. And my mom seen the shit and was just like, this dirty motherfucker.
Bro,
like, yo, this thing was looking at Pino, and I was like, yo, it's a Playboy.
I remember I came home from work. I came home from school, and my father was like, don't touch the TV. And I was like, okay, I wasn't going to, but I'm a kid, and you told me not to do something, so here we go. And I turned on the TV, and my father was, you remember if you had 2 VCRs, you could copy one VHS to another, and he was copying the most bootleg Jamaican porn I've ever seen in my life. Like, I know I've mentioned this before, but the porn starts like this, like, the lady walks into the room, and the guy goes, what are you doing? He goes through her bag and pulls out a dildo, and she goes, what's this? And she goes, you can't satisfy me. He goes, oh yeah, and then they just lay down on the dirty bed and start going at it, and I was like, all right, this is not West Coast Productions. This is West Side of Kingston Productions. But I found that tape from my father, and because he worked at night, and because I am a little devil, and I'm probably just the devil incarnate, I got a blank VHS tape, and I copied his porno tape. Oof. So if anything happened, I had a copy of the tape he watched, but he knew I did it, but he couldn't do anything because he was like, yo, who touched my tape? And it's like, how do you ask your kid, yo, did you touch my porno tape without saying, I have a porno tape?
I have a porno tape.
Now get this. One day while my mother cleaned out my room, she found a copy of Blacktail I hid underneath the stereo. And rather than talk to me, because I was in the shower, she gives it to my father. And he had a talk with me in our bedroom about, you can't disrespect your mother and bring pornography in here. And I was really sitting there like, wow.
Pop me kettle.
And you know what? It was one of those things where you talk to your kids and you realize they might have a little more dirt than you thought. So you kind of fall back. So he was like, yeah, you can't be watching this kind of thing. I was like, I can't be bringing magazines. I was like, what about VHS tapes? Are those okay in this house? And he was like, you know what? He's like, your mother wants me to go to White Castle to get a crave case, so I gotta go.
Checkmate, nigga.
Checkmate. Porn checkmate. Check. Oh.
Yeah.
And that's back when I was working at the mechanic shop illegally, because my father knew the owner and I didn't have my working papers. And I remember, because they were like, oh, just find a jumpsuit. Because, you know, it was like one of those things, you wear the jumpsuit, you take it off at the end of the night, a laundry service comes, you get a fresh one in the morning. Yeah. And in the room, there was mad porno magazines. So I was like, oh, shit. Yeah. So I stole one. I took it home, and I was like, yeah. And the next day, niggas was like, yo, we saw you stole the porn tape. You have it on camera. You got to bring it back.
Scarred.
And I was like,
you didn't even get to dub it?
And I was like, no, it was a porn magazine. Excuse me, even worse. And in my head, I was like, you know what? You guys are not getting that magazine back. And for like 3 days, it was like, where's the magazine? I was like, I don't know. My mother took it. I don't know. Meanwhile, I was at home jerking it to the purple tape. Like, yeah, bro. Bro, listen to Glaciers. Ice. Bro.
Hip hop.
Bro. I'm a rock niggas this summer. I'm a blue. I'm like, blue and cream, you fucking bitch. Blue and cream.
My cream.
Niggas don't know. Niggas got garbage down the way. My guts, bro. You know what it is. Beating your meat to real hip hop. That's one of the 6 elements of hip hop, I believe.
Yeah, beating your meat to like Black Moon.
Who got the props? 5FT, Evil D. God. Oh, bust nut. I just bust a shot. Yeah, bro. Meats jump up to get bust down. Ba-na-na, ba-na-na-na-na-na-na.
Yeah.
Oh, you know what? Just to cover the base, we're just gonna hit that with the.
Just one time. Also, you know what's the problematic like one time.
We discussed this. I think last podcast. Remember we were talking about Frasier and how it is.
Yes.
It's intelligent but boring.
Yes.
Let me open your third eye.
Okay.
Frasier is just White Martin.
Yo.
Think about it. Both have a radio show.
Yup.
I didn't think anything past that, but that's good enough.
Yeah, but it's like, it's definitely like gentrified Martin.
Exactly.
Doesn't he live in a high rise in like Midtown or some shit like that?
And in Seattle. It's
Seattle. Okay,
Seattle or something.
Wherever it is, he lives in like a nice little swanky apartment and shit with like a recessed living room and shit.
Yeah, and his dad is wild blue collar, and he got the Jack Russell Terrier, and he got the woman. His brother Niles is having the issues with the other lady because he just got the relationship, but he likes her. And they went to a Duran concert, and Niles wore a suit. And yes, I watched an episode before this podcast. So.
Yeah. And it's wild because Niles is like Frasier and Niles are like wild, like, yo, I'm an intellectual.
Yeah.
And the dad is just like, yeah, motherfucker, I worked at a factory.
Yeah, bro, I used bullets to make a couch in World War One. So Mero, what you're saying is that we should do some sort of Frasier reboot. So we're Frasier and Niles. Who's our father? Who plays our father on this Frasier reboot? They have to be older than us. Quincy Jones.
Yo. Quincy Jones.
I'm like, Dad, I'm really interested in this woman. How do you think I can woo her? He's like, well, here's what you do first,
Shit. First, you got to do some smooth shit. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Now, some of my shit.
I recommend you take her to the zoo, right? Now, if you do it at moonlight, you want to make sure she sees just the right nipple of a tiger.
That's right.
Okay, just the right nipple. Now, you want to come from behind her, and you want to just whisper in her ear.
All right.
Make a lecky high, make a high ho. Make a lecky high, make a high. Just watch.
Oh, shit.
Watch. A lot of people don't know. I did that to Olivia Newton-John.
Oh, shit.
And I also did that. I did that to Martin Luther King.
Oh, shit. You back that too?
Back that too, bro. You like jazz?
Hell yeah, I fuck with jazz.
I fuck with jazz. You know, I remember I was getting a 3-way blowjob after the March on Selma, and I was playing some jazz, and that's what. Can I get another V8, please? And people are like, "That's offensive." I'm like, "No, actually, listen to an actual Quincy Jones interview. That's easy stuff."
Yo,
Quincy be like, "So I landed on the moon, and I seen this sexy moon alien, right?" Now, I'm not using condoms on the moon. I'm Quincy Jones. He's like, wow. You just hear Rashida in the background like, Dad, stop!
Yeah.
Dad, you're ruining your legacy.
He's definitely entered that that phase in life that I don't give a fuck. I'll say whatever the fuck I want phase in life.
Yes, because if you are an old black man, guess what? Mm-hmm. You survived some shit, and you have every right.
Some shit.
You have every right to be. If you are an older black person, you have every right to be as wild as you want when you get older. So I can't wait. I can't wait. In 6 months, I'm gonna be wilding. So, all right. And I only say in 6 months because Amazon is delaying deliveries. Because I got bootcut jeans coming, a hoop earring. You know what I'm saying? I got an Ankh walking stick.
You got the Bluetooth?
I got the Bluetooth. No, you know what? Fuck you. Okay. Fuck you. All right. Bluetooth. What is this? 2004. I got the new Bluetooth in one fedora, okay? All right? Y'all know about that.
Sony
you don't know what the USB-powered fedora.
Ooh.
The shit tips itself and says, "Milady." And I was like, the hand-free.
Should have swept Howard.
Yo, I got, as a special gift, my brother, I got you a Kango that got Alexa in it. So, you know.
Oh, shit. Yo, Alexa, make my eyes work again.
Yeah. Damn, son. Dark. Alexa, let me see my kids. Kids not found. Oh, damn. Alexa, find some of my friends that are still alive. Searching. No results.
No results. It's like, dark. Would you like to search for niggas you don't really fuck with like that?
You search for all your friends that are alive. Did you mean all my friends are dead? Like, oh man, oh man.
It's just a gift of Lil Uzi than the shoulder roll.
Oh, this is a dark. It's got dark. But remember,
Mortality.
you have to remember,
real.
we grew up in real neighborhood, real circumstances. That was the other thing. My therapist said that. He was like, "You're handling this very well," and I was like, "Yeah." I was like, also a couple weeks ago, you were like, "You need to get yourself together because you only live in 6-month increments. You don't think long term. You don't think in like 5 years, 10 years, 15 years." And I was like, "Who seems stupid now?" Huh? Who's all learned up, Mr. Dr. Boy? I'm from the streets, nigga. Okay, all right. I only last as long as that Charleston Chew, my brother. Also, that's from my new novel that I've been working on. It's called Blacker Boy. It's the continuation of Richard Wright's book. It's I'm still working on it. There's a lot of really bad and awkward passages, but I'm figuring because I'm kind of popping and black in Hollywood, people will allow me to make whatever the fuck I want because that seems to be how it works.
Mega facts.
Victor can co-sign me.
Mega facts. Yo, but to your point, bro, fucking
I just got a $10 billion development deal from Roku. Let's go, bro. Me and Mero are making live action Fraggle Rock. So
let's do it.
Down at Fraggle Rock, my guts, ma.
Yeah.
Michael Anthony as a Fraggle. Julio, give me some of those pipes, bro. Julio, come on, bro.
Yeah. But fucking to your point before, bro. Like I was talking to my man Jimmy the other day, and we were talking about it, and we were like, "Yo, fam, growing up, we see shit that we was not supposed to see at a very young age, dog." You know what I'm saying? Like, so that informs. We that's why we get a little dark.
We all saw Foreign Gully, and it did not live up to our expectations. You know, that's all right. You want to talk about seeing shit you're not supposed to see, huh?
Yeah.
You want to talk about seeing shit you're not supposed to see? How you think I felt after I saw Cock-a-doodle-doo? Huh?
Oh, yo.
I'm like, how's he a chicken and he's Elvis? How? My little brain is melting down. I'm like, whoa. I was like, he's nothing but a hound dog, but he's also a delicious McChicken. Make it make sense. Like,
yo. What was the worst movie as a child that let you
the worst movie I saw as a child was Gandhi. Gandhi, because I was a kid and it was so boring.
What? Oh, I was gonna tell. I was like, who made you watch Gandhi?
This is also a story of how bad I was as a child, and I understand like why I used to get beat. Because my parents, they used to have like, you know how like you're married, you gotta set a time, adult time to watch adult movies, not porno movies, but like a grown up movies, and you do that thing. You're like, you let the little kids sit there till they fall asleep and then they go to bed or whatever. Yeah. So my parents were like, we're going to watch Gandhi. And it had not just come out. It had been out a long time already, but I guess they just got at the video store. So I'm sitting there watching it. Now, key to the story is my parents had just bought, I think my father got a promotion, so he got plastic to cover all the furniture in the living room. Now, this is key to the story. This is very key to the story. So I was like, what is this stuff? He's like, it's plastic so you don't spill nothing on the seats. So I was like, oh, okay, it's cool. I was like, it's kind of sticky because it's like summertime. He's like, yeah, well, get used to it. And I was like, oh, okay, cool. And, like little kids, I was like, oh, wow, this movie's really boring. And my mom was like, okay, just sit there. It's almost done. And I was like, oh, this movie's really boring. And she's like, just sit there. I'm watching the movie. And I was like, oh, okay. You got a little bass in your voice on that time. I'm going to sit here. I'm going to be the good kid. And I was like, you know what? This plastic is cool. What do it taste like? I chewed a hole through the plastic on the sofa the first day my parents got the plastic covering. My father literally had to tell my mother to take me in the next room so he doesn't kill me. Because I think the covers were like $300 or something like that. Oh, yeah. And I distinctly remember that look my father gave me because it was the look like, I made you, but if I could, I would kill you right now. And I was like, I'm a baby. What do you want? Wow, kid. I'm a kid. Wow. I'm gonna. Wow. I get really excited from a box of raisins. Wow. Sorry, I'm little. What do you want? Wow. I'm fascinated by the light in the fridge. Wow. Can you stand next to me because I'm scared of it? Wow.
Yeah. Fucking kids are nuts.
They are. I was watching Hunger Games. Apparently, we're going to have to need them to like overthrow the government or something. I don't know if that. I was watching Hunger Games. Apparently, it's not a documentary. It is not. do not waste your time the way I did. I was looking for some way to donate to them, to support them. It's not that at all. It's all I was on GoFundMe like I declare a tribute. Like,
yeah,
like
I want to. Can I declare how much tribute can I declare? Is this tribute a tax write-off?
They was like, hey, I see you're donating tribute. Would you like to donate 15% for processing? You know, because people at GoFundMe, we work for profit. Like, oh wow, wow, bro.
Yeah, that's the wild shit. If you set up a GoFundMe for 50 racks, you actually have to make like 70, no? To actually get you 50.
No, it's not that much. I think it's like a 15%.
15%.
15%. But I mean, like, if you doing a GoFundMe 50 racks, I got some questions, bro. Like,
I mean, I've seen some. Like,
I saw a GoFundMe the other day, and it was rest in peace. It was someone who died from coronavirus, and they had 2 young kids, and they wanted $120,000. And I was like, excuse me? And I was like, and the way they broke it down, they were like, we want $20,000 for the funeral, and then they wanted $50,000 for like the education and the lifetime needs of the 2 kids. And I was like, whoa,
what?
I was like, whoa,
lifetime needs.
I was like, I don't know if that works. Like I think, you know, because I've given to a lot of GoFundMes, and I'll be honest, if your GoFundMe has a reachable goal, there's more likely people are going to donate money. Like, if you are asking for people for $3,000, you're more likely to get $3,000 than if you're asking for $150,000.
Yeah, you wild.
Because think about it. If you say you're at $1,500 on a $3,000 GoFundMe, you're halfway there.
Yeah.
So people see that, and people are like, oh, I can help this person reach their goal.
My little dub in here.
Exactly. And even if it's like $5, $10 here, it makes a difference. You see that meter move. Yeah, go add $5 to a $150,000 GoFundMe. All right?
The little 5 just pop up all the way at the end.
Yeah.
After the 0.
You'd be like, yo, you guys didn't even say my name. They was like, yeah, we're leaving this anonymous. It didn't make a difference. I'm like, I didn't even log in. They're like, yeah, we know. Just move.
Okay. Get out of
here. So also, shout out to 2020 being the time where America is being supported by Zoom and GoFundMe. Not the U.S. government. Yeah. Not anyone we voted for. Just 2 random ass websites.
Yo, wow.
Like if this was like 2004, like everyone would be on like a fucking Penguin Club or some shit. That's how we'd be surviving. We'd be on local hookups asking for toilet paper and shit. Like, yo,
son, niggas would be on Black Planet. Like, yo,
shit, bro. But listen, that's what happens, bro.
Sign my G book if you got toilet paper.
Exactly, yo. Yo, my aunt died. Like, yo, sign her G book. Niggas like, yo, rest in peace, shorty. You had the fatty. They leave the wild gif of the tongue licking the strawberry. Like, yo,
shit is sparkling.
Yeah. They're like, yo, she liked that shit. Like, yo,
yeah,
shit ain't right. Niggas even wild. The little gang member brat stoles and the fucking guest book and shit. The little chulos, the little girlfriend, Mexican girlfriends, and with the little different colored bandanas, holding their guns sideways and shooting them.
Yo.
Bang, bang.
Like, yo, you turn the shit upside down. It's like, oh, this one's sleepy. It's one of 24.
Wow. Oh, wow. Collect them all. Someone posts a wild picture of your grandma, but she's dressed like a brat store. I'm like, she would never wear mud jeans. Take this down.
It's a mud jeans. That was the Mandy special.
That was the For the Road special right there.
All right, Mandy's.
Shout out to Mud. Mud could take just a little bit of butt and make it look appealing.
Yo, for
okay?
Real. That shit was
y'all would love that, all right?
Yeah,
y'all love that.
Shed the wild scoopage.
Okay? It should have had like a little sign on the bottom that was like, objects in the rear view are smaller than they appear. Like, yo, bro. Bro. I mean, low-key, you should have known for the name. It was like Mud. Like,
yo, come on.
When was the last time you was like, damn, that mud is round as shit? Like, no,
damn,
mud's not round. Mud is not round.
Mud is some flat whack shit that you get mad if you step on it.
She's mud. She's mud. She's mud. She's in my head.
She's giving me head.
Yeah, she's giving me double toppy, bro. Just give me the double toppy, bro.
Yeah.
A little sloppy toppy.
Oh, man.
Little decky from the Bizak.
I can't wait till niggas get out of this quarantine so niggas can go on tour. I would love to go to a different city and smell different air.
Bro, do you understand how difficult, like, first of all, we got to get out of the quarantine. that we have to be. It has to be safe. So there has to probably be a vaccine. Otherwise, it has to be a safe enough condition that we can fly on a plane, stay in a hotel, go into a room full of people we do not know where they've been, who they've been around, if they've been quarantining, if there's herd immunity, all that stuff, and come back. Could be a while, bro. Could be a while.
Yeah.
So I'm saying buy tickets now for the Desus and Mero Zoom experience. That's right. We will Zoom directly to your house. We're only doing it's like OnlyFans for $500. We do a private show for you. All right. We do all your favorite jokes like that nigga be spitting and who this nigga eating beans and Julio pick up and gotta hear both sides.
My fucking guts hurt, bro.
Open your third eye. What else? That's a Babylon thing.
Yo, word.
Teach these devils. Yeah. Hip hop. Yo, I was eating a chopped cheese while wearing Tim's.
You're with my Yankee fit.
Yo, Mero, who's your
bro?
27 rings, you know, Derek Jeter. Clap. Yeah, bro. Ha. They're like, we can see you crying. I'm like, yeah, well, I don't want to do this.
Well, I mean, what do you want?
What do you want? What do you want from me? What do you want from me?
Who sings that? Is that Adam Lambert?
I sing that. I didn't want it to come out this way, but you know, like I have a whole R&B.
You got
that.
Wow!
Shout out to Mero. Shout out to that is Adam Lambert. Okay. Which I have questions. Is Mero in the basement rocking the Dominican flag, listening to Adam Lambert?
Listen to Adam Lambert?
While trying on mascara that he stole from Sephora 6 years ago? With his dick tucked? Like, yeah, bro. Bro. Puts the lotion on his... She puts the lotion on the skin or she gets the... That's right. Dominican. Silence of the Lamb. What is Silence of the Lambs in Spanish?
Silence of the fucking... What the shit? Oh, Silencio de los Corderos.
Okay, this is problematic. That sounds delicious. That sounds like something I would order.
Silencio de los Corderos?
Yo, like, bro, let me get extra Silencio on that.
Medium? Yeah. Extra
just in the back, you hear someone like, did someone ask for Silento? I was like, no. I said, Silencio on the lamb. Silento!
No, sir.
Sir, it's not.
There's a sign that says, please keep your volume down.
Someone order the lamb. Now watch me serve this lamb. Now watch me serve. Oh, God. Mero, I told you. Mero, I said if you're going to buy Mama Sushi, do not put Silencio as the front of the house. Like, Victor and CB told you it's a bad idea. Like, why?
Listen, he came in as a chef, bro, and he was fucking up, and I felt bad about
it. Nigga, I was there when he applied. He walked in the room and said Silento. Yeah, and he was like, let's fucking go. Like that.
House smack, bro. Come on.
Bro, you shot 4 episodes of Undercover Boss and not fired him. Like, enough is enough. Every time he fucks up, he just says Silento. You get impressed. Like, you gotta stop this shit. All right? Don't even get me started on the fact that you have LMFAO doing your taxes.
Listen.
Every time I go in there and I'm like, I haven't got my payroll tax, they're like, everyone with the payroll tax tonight.
Listen, Shots was a banger, man.
All right. Every day I compound interest. Don't bump. I'm like, yo, we're being audited. Stop shuffling.
Yo. Can you not shuffle while we talk to you, please?
Yo, everybody TurboTax tonight, cause we gonna get our refunds right. I'm like, oh my God.
You using TurboTax? Oh, fuck.
Oh my God. Mero, you're running this place. Mero, is that really the head of your HR? Oh, God. Lumity, get over here. She's like, uh-oh. You broke HR rules. You are getting written up. I hope you saved your time or have a union rep online. Like, oh, God.
No. God. Yo, I'm so sorry, dog. This was a total mistake. We just got to clean house. We got to get some new people here. I thought it would be fun.
I'm like, Mero, I don't want to be that person, but the person that does your contracts, that's clearly Young B from Chicken Noodle Soup.
Oh, that's why she said contracting tin.
She's like, She's like, sign this form. Now clear it out. Now sign this form. Now clear it out. Like, oh, God.
Yeah.
Oh, man. Oh.
Shouts to the hyping. Tip.
They got to update the lyrics, but it's like lyrics that are like for us now. I was hanging on. They're like doing like the wild, very specific Bronx references. I was hanging on 231st and Digny Ave. I'm like, the only people that know that are people who are literally on 231st and Digny. Like, there's 5 houses there. What are you doing?
It's like that block is 30 feet long. What do you mean?
I was hanging at apartment 4G in Beatonwood Projects 1147 on the 5th floor. I'm like, wow.
Wow, that's very specific.
Very specific. I could literally put that into Google and see what's going on. But you know what? You can't go into Google and see what's going on with hip hop, real hip hop.
Yo, Bone Thugs and 3 6 Mafia are gonna battle. That's the next big versus battle.
I saw that, and I thanked them for battling on Instagram instead of battling over recycled cans in the back of a Kroger's as they were doing in the past. So, you know, it's time that they elevate the art, and now we definitely have beef with both of them.
Niggas said Kroger's.
All my downtown people was like, "Thank you, Jesus.
Yeah,
thanks
appreciate
for nationalizing
you.
Your shit."
Yeah,
you know what it is?
Stop and shop. I respect it.
Because it's been episode 201 of the most illustrious podcast in the world, brought to you by Cash App. You know what it is? Coming to you live late at night, still making the podcast, and we continue still making the podcast all through this quarantine. You know the vibes. It's been your boy Desus Nice, aka Young Chipotle, aka Pocket Stay Fat Like Terrio, aka Pocket Stay Fat Like. Here we go!
Yeah, baby.
Yeah. Something I might know you, but Young Day Party, Young Hot Take, Jesus Day Fuego, Mr. Nando's with a rondo. Give me a little peri-peri sauce before I eat this bird. And by eating this bird, you know what I mean.
Yeah, baby.
Been over at the 94 in Nueva York. Mikhail going off the Juve boss. MC looking good P. Put up for 40 with your shorty. AK don't hook to me in the Uber pool. I don't know you. The original +1 got +1, so don't make a fuss. And actually, guess what? I don't got +1 because we're social distancing.
Stupid.
Have you gotten any invites to any movie releases on Zoom?
Oh man, I haven't even opened them because
Bro, I got those.
Like, I don't even.
And I was like,
I'm not opening this.
I'm like, is there like a Zoom red carpet? Do I gotta get dressed up? Like, how does shit work?
Yeah, you just gotta get dressed from the waist up.
Niggas just like posting in my living room like They're like, Jesus, look over here.
Yeah, you put the virtual background as a step and repeat. Like, yeah,
like,
what up?
Jesus, turn the Mac. Jesus, I'm from Vogue magazine. Turn your MacBook over here. I'm like, oh shit.
Yeah, what up?
They're like, Jesus, where's Mero? I'm like, hold on, I got a virtual background. Gang strong. You know the vibes. I'm the only person like emailing them about the virtual movie releases. I was like, is it open bar? And they're like, sir.
They're like, I was like, bro, yes.
I'm like, bro, I got my cup by the USB drive. Make something come out, bro. Come on, bro.
Yo, for real.
Come on, bro.
Have a dude drop a fucking bottle box in front of my crib.
They should do make it like a real open bar thing. You got to order one drink at a time and they just FedEx it to your house. You're just like, bro, let me get a Manhattan. They're like, your Manhattan will be in your house in 2 hours. I'm like, waiting on it, bro.
Yeah,
super thirsty,
shit,
bro.
Shit is all melted and shit. Like,
They don't even stop the car. They just slow down and throw it at you.
Yo,
like, oh shit! It's bro, it's in my eye, bro. It's in my eyes.
You fucking sucking on your t-shirt, like
fuck it. Close enough. I've been wearing the same shirt for 3 weeks. Who cares, bro? Yo, this is Rosti, the Jamaican Jew, Jermaine Avocado Toast, Young Pa, the Ghost of Mufasa, Young Chakuni without the Kuni, aka Chili Mon, left-handed reliever for the Yankees. Also, and a reminder to all my Yankee fans, since there's not probably going to be a season played this year, is a perfect time to come up with a story about how you played baseball for the Yankees in 2020, and then because of coronavirus, they didn't record it, so you were stricken from the record, and you can lie to your kids and be like, you played in the Yankees. And me and Mero are good because there's pictures of us playing at Yankee Stadium at CC Sabatia's celebrity game.
Multiple years.
If we take that out of context, no one knows. No one knows. We could literally steal from the Yes Network and just put like, yo, this is from the 04 World Series or some shit. Game 3.
Fam.
Game 3 where Mero hit a grand slam with 2 outs.
That's right.
2 strikes in the bottom of the 9th.
That's right.
And guess what? They caught it. It should have been out. They caught it at the wall. But then Jackie Bradley Jr. dropped it, and I scored from first on an inside the park home run. And then me and Mero did the kid and play dance at home plate. So
Ooh,
yeah, they was mad.
Yo, they brushed it off. They took it off YouTube. That was the wild shit for me.
It was wild because I mean I watched it because I downloaded it before they took it off YouTube, and I zoomed in the back. And you know what really broke my heart? There's someone yelling racial slurs, and like it's a guy with glasses and a bald head.
Wow.
And I turned and I was like, I hope I never run into you again, pal. I hope you never work for me, okay? I hope you just go on with your life and you just do whatever you want to do. What's your name, you piece of garbage? And he was like, my name's Josh Gondelman. And I was like, wow. Then he played some real hip hop, and I was really impressed. So I was like, okay,
shit. Yo, those kicks are fire, my guy.
I was like, yeah. I was like, I am impressed. Oh shit. I was like, can you escort me to the hospital? Can you escort me to my hotel? Because that group over there wants to beat the shit out of me. He was like, got you. He just threw down a House of Pain maxi cassette and got the crowd to run in the opposite direction. They heard the horns. They were like, bah, 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 bah. Everyone's like, whoa, bro, what is that?
Whoa, bro.
Bro, they're playing the national anthem.
Bro,
get some natty lights. Let's go.
Yo.
Bro, I don't know why, but the song makes me want to watch Departed. So, let's make that happen.
Fuck it.
Hey, grab your Nomar jersey. Shout out to all the Boston fans who are under 25. Like, I do not know what the fuck they are talking about.
What are you talking about?
Who the fuck is was Nomar, like, where the old stadium was located? What the fuck? What is he talking about?
A neighborhood?
Like, what? But I don't get who the fuck is Manny? Like Manny Fresh? Manny Fresh on the Red Sox?
When? I thought he was the producer.
So like he had like an MPC 200 XL while he was throwing pitches? Like that doesn't make any.
Yeah,
I don't know.
This is weird. It doesn't sound right.
That's wild. That's wild. Anyway, and who's Big Papi? Is he like that black guy that got shot in DR and then no one talked about it afterwards? Like
yeah, it's wild.
What was that about?
Really just like that was in the news cycle for like 5 minutes.
We like to joke in here, and I just would like to point out after Mero made that joke, a red dot landed on my forehead through my window. So we're going to leave Big Papi alone. No, as they say, as the Latinos say, no mas jocas. Okay, so we're gonna stop. 2-4 Jones, G-Zek Machina, J Chuckles, Stanley Cup, the Human Dr. Bonner's label, dilute. Don't even dilute it. Just go straight. Just put it straight on your skin. That's the only thing that's gonna burn that coronavirus, my guy. Just do that, fam. I really be splashing bleach on my face like baptismal water. Okay, I'm not trying to get this shit. All right, you know the fucking vibes. Leonardo DiCaprio, Mr. 240B, cause like my Pinot. Yeah. DJ Woolite, aka you're listening to Washed FM.
Oh shit.
Up next, what do we got? Who do we got? There's so many talented people. But
you ain't gotta say too much.
I think I want to dedicate this to some of the people who don't get the recognition. Like, some people that just don't not get it. Oh god. You know what? Shout out to Mercedes on No Limit. Okay, I never heard the album, but you guys don't know. She's a girl bending over the car. Yeah, you know it.
Iconic.
Okay, give her roses. Give her roses for having the only rap album people bought to jerk off to the cover.
Yo, for real.
Okay.
Niggas Little Kim. Plastic off.
Little Kim came close, but Mercedes. People was in like the oldest building in Rikers beating they meat, bro. Yo, the Curry Gold, these Spice, the Jamal Hashburn, the Bronx, Celine Dion, Ray Nephew's nephew, the Moreno, you cannot contain. That sounds like the Wild Graduation song. You cannot contain. The Human Memory, what's your job? 2020. Young Aaron, the racist provocateur. Hedrick Budcross, Nelson Mandela, Giorgio Can't See Me, Vladimir Buffin. The Human World is melting in your mouth. Mr. Becker, Deckerton, Ricky Tiki Squabby, Greg Popovich, Morris Chestnut, Mahatma Gandhi, Not Maccabee, but I got that cucumber. Yeah. Juice press, but your boy, he never is. He never is. I am the art, damn it. The Dundada Ganoush, no more cup of noodles. The Prince of France. The Prince of Peckham, the Fashion Nova Casanova, the William H. cents, 5 cents, 10 cent dollar. Forget the small change. Give me.
What you want?
Big money wine. The only anthem I salute is Dipset. Mr. Second, catch me at square one. Top left, man, is more. True Rizzuto. Holy cow, catch me at the money store. Mrs. Oppo, all I do is count checks and jerk off. We got OJ, Purple Self Soda, and it's me, Saluji. David Uriman. Smokeem, Noah, Andrew Cool, Nana, aka the Junior, Andrew God Jr. Come sit down, pop me charger, sip on it. Call me Petco because I got your bitch on freeze and you're not going to get this pet food for 3 weeks because of corona-related deliveries and FedEx and stuff. But, in these trying times, we're here for you and your pets. You know what I'm saying? Topic of gossip is Syosset. Shout out to 11791.
He's a nice
fella. Grandpa Joe. Because when you see Charlie, you see me, don't touch that golden ticket. It's your man Dead IDs this morning, Sheriff. Be ashamed if I... So I got to order online, and I'll come here and pick up the package. Okay. Ooh. All right. I'm going to do that later. Okay, bye. Mr. Chopper, that's too easy. Like a bad breeze, like I'm easy, please, believe it. The Black Asiatic Addict will crack your back like an automatic craft mag. Mr. Lamarino, Miss Marino, Christmas, Marino, Nicole, Demi, and Sheep Mask Killer. No one could be iller. The Black Zach Morris, support Morris. Young KPI. Take second best, put me to the test. Things on your chest you need to confess. Talk to your boy, Personal Jesus, you know the vibes. AKA Problematic Bae. Remember, it's not a secret family if you quarantine without them.
Knowledge.
And by that, I'm saying even if you're in the same house as them, just go into a room. Just go into a room and just ignore them. They're not doing nothing for you.
That's it.
Up next, we got
your boy.
You know who it is.
You know what I'm saying?
You know what it is. The only man to be banned. The only man to be banned from Zoom meetings for having foreskin exposed and dirty cornrows in the back.
You know what I'm saying?
He's been banned. He was banned from Zoom back in 1994. How you feel?
Know what I'm saying? Real hip hop shit. You know, niggas don't know nothing about the 90s Zoom.
Y'all wasn't there.
You know what I'm saying? It was different. We was outside. You know what I'm saying?
Outside.
It's your boy. Different. The motherfucking Kid Mero, a.k.a. the human direct flap, a.k.a. Jonathan McDab, a.k.a. Curb Gotti, a.k.a. Triz Khalifa. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Skirt Loader, jump the curb, hit your motherfucking dog, keep it moving, ask me fucking fuck. He ain't have a mask on, dog. I'm trying to help everybody. A.k.a. I don't fucking baby, I'm fucking babe, my nigga. A.k.a. CC Bathia. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. Tiger Backwards, you know what I'm saying? Smoke a 3 gram blunt to hit you with this 9 iron. A.k.a. getting to this money and the smoke is your boy Goldman Schmidt. You know what I'm saying? AKA I had Phil Murphy open and sanitize the mall just so my kids could run around and loot the Lego store because I'm the fucking dad of the year. You know what I'm saying? AKA Bitch Rack Biombo. AKA the Yayo Maradona. AKA Tiki Yabemo Tombo. You know, come in this pussy no more because of social distancing. But when this is all over, you know, I will still respect your agency because you are my queen. You know what I'm saying? AKA Barlow Santana. So smooth. I fall asleep at the wheel and crash a zip car. And then I jump out and leave it because it's a PT Cruiser. You know what I'm saying? A.k.a. the Dominican Dada Dickman Daddy, a.k.a. Yo, listen, I'm going to type my card again one more time in this little field right here. There's definitely money on it. You know what I'm saying? Don't make me embarrass you when I take you in to get serviced and the motherfuckers are like, yo, can we get some quick selfies? You know what I'm saying? I don't know, social distancing and all that, but yo, can you zoom in? You know what I'm saying? You like your little Mero's computer job, Mr. MacBook?
True.
You know what I'm saying?
Let them know.
The motherfucking sneakers in the cart, dog. You know what I'm saying? Yes, I'm ordering 2 of the same. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? One to rock and one to stock. You know what I'm saying? You know the fucking vibes. You know what I'm saying? So put the shit and let me check out. Stop playing with me. A.k.a. Romeo Santos. Tu favorito, mami. So Zanny. Wow. Let me black out. Oh my God. What happened yesterday? Did I eat Titi's butt? Yes, I did. It's on Instagram. Holla. A.k.a. Lightning Dutchy. Hello. Is it weed you're looking for? I can see it in your eyes. In the Zoom meeting right now. You know what I'm saying? So, I mean, we can't actually even smoke together because of social distancing. So, I mean, this is kind of a moot point. But, yo, listen.
Now you got to do the wild. You got to do the 6 point. You got to do the, you do the mouth-to-mouth thing, but, like, from mad far away. Like,
yo, like, you blow a shot into the camera?
You know what you got to do? You got to get all your homies to cup their hands like this, and then you blow it to your homie's hands, and your boy's on the other end. He's got his mouth in the homie's hands. And you got to do it. You got to do it, like, in a dark park. So, You know what? I'm being told that I am legally required to. Just a reminder, the Problematic Light is sponsored by JP Morgan Chase. So
Yo, aka motherfucking Tom Brady, you're gonna got my balls deflated, more deflated than Bobby Craps. You know what I'm saying? We the Table Shop Boys, hollering at your boys. Fuck social distance. aka Phil the Ass Tyson. I want to play your Cosmo after this quarantine crisis is averted, please, of course. aka Liz Snoozy, first to get a tap on live, been social distancing before Corona. aka Friano Messi, MVP of Gelato. aka Zanny Benningfield. I ain't gonna get some sticks. aka Joe Hookah. I dare you to smoke with me at Mama Sushi when it reopens in 2040. You know what I'm saying? aka Ben Boston. My hands are gifted. Have you ever in your life avoided being collateral damage in a completely incredibly inept administration? I saw accountability and told that bitch, skirt. aka I'll open your fucking medicine cabinet because I'm the Zen man. aka Rico Soboroso, aka Baby Lupo 25, Nick John Garbage down the way, aka Nino Brown shit to go down, you know what I'm saying? Because I want to keep all my crackhead employees safe, you know what I'm saying? aka live from the corner of 187th and Prospect, not sheltering in any place, it's the East Tremont Stevie B doing all his greatest hits like I want to be the one your TT is fucking and don't take love, don't let me leave. You know what I'm saying? Man, I gotta tell you via FaceTime, via Zoom, via fucking StreamYard, mate, via Google Hangout. You know, there's only 2 rock stars left in the world, mate. It's the Bodega Boys, of which I am one. The plantain supernova in the sky. One day you will find me smoking weed on Tremont, shooting lights all in my veins because I'm dumb.
Yo, pass that bleach, bro. Pass that bleach. Try to get right, bro.
Yo, if you eat a Lysol white, bro, it's like disinfecting your body, bro. So
yo, bartender. Yo, cerveza, por favor. Yo, bro. Let me get some of that top shelf. Yo, it's my man Mero. Yo, my man Mero celebrating a baby that's not his. So can I get some of that top shelf Clorox, bro? I don't usually go for the high bottle shit, bro.
The biodegradable shit, bro. Come on, bro. You know what I'm saying?
I love this place. Bro. They bring out the bleach. They bring out like a choppy brings out the bleach, and they got like hookah and there's like sparklers on it, bro. You can't go wrong, bro.
It's amazing, bro.
Bro, yo, pass me some of those Tide Pods.
Yo, I got Cascade Pods, bro. aka I bet my princess I'm never gonna fail. aka playing NBA 2K in Portland, smoking legal. It's Barmelos Anthony. Being like, fuck the season. Bang! You know what I'm saying? Yo, if you see me sitting on Target.com, you know what I'm saying, higher than Taco Fall on a flight back from LA, approach me like a fucking Ursa mammal because what the fuck are you doing on my crib, dog? I'm about to fucking attack you and swipe your head off. You know
and I will attack, and you won't like that.
No, you will not. You know what I'm saying? aka, hey kids, it depends on the clown. Hire for me for your kid's birthday party. I'll show up to your kid's party after it's over. And I demand my deposit, which you will not get any back. By the way, I gotta go to my truck real quick. Now that I got this money, I gotta meet my friend, Mr. Funfun. Can you watch these kids for 1 second? I'll be right back.
No problem, bro. No problem. Or you kids working from home? Yeah. Exactly how you working, bro? Like you get paid in roses, or like you're just working like a medium job? Or...
No, Mr. Funfun. Whoa, hey,
I gotta go.
Hey, we gotta go.
Kids, remember, stay in contact. Stay in contact. My Zoom ID is 718-179-679. The password is 6969. I gotta go.
All right. Yo, aka I soak flake lean to your favorite SoundCloud rapper. He's high off UV rays and disinfectants. Oh shit. But at least he don't got the Rona. You know what I'm saying? Yo, aka, you know what time it is, papi. If you got ese pito in the shit on right now, Hasan, tírame la pita, coño. Oye, que lo que guau. Llegó el edit de FIFA, coño. Baja el chuki con la tabla sobar y la cámara prendida. Dime a ver qué es lo que tú dices, mamá huevo. Deja que me den bata de la casa y que van a ver, coño, que voy a salir con más que nunca la puerta que me arriba. Y loca con la chapa nuevecita. Shout out la casa Showtime. Shout out Cash Shop. Shout out Hasan que hay que poner la fucking nota. Shout out Desus Bueno, la nota jamaiquina, you know what I'm saying? Shout out Víctor Marte, el papi de la Lady, 24 quilatas de melena, de magia en esa melena, tú sabes que lo que. Shout out nena de Bodega Boys, la más dura, la parte atlética. Si tú te llamas Clebertore, dale para allá, para los 10, mi loca. Shout out Vicky, la más loca todita, you know what I'm saying, que no le importa ningún soldadito ni ponerse máscara porque es una fucking loca. El que llama a mi presidente Pío, la secretaria de defensa activo con el cañón, avísame que lo suelto. Pronto le invitamos a mi hermano Friki y que descanse para mi hermano Sexor, you know what I'm saying, y mi hermano Frederico, el gordo, you know what I'm saying, rest in peace, my nigga, you know what I'm saying, que Dios te guarde. Yo, que está en la casa, está la fucking mano queroso, este presidente no sabe ni fucking huele perico, no le hagan caso, you know what I'm saying? Episode 201, you know what I'm saying?
Fucking vibes. Remember, do the math. If you take 2 and you add 1, what do you get?
Oh, 3.
All right. And what's the most important eye?
Yo, you third eye. Here, what? Yo,
keep it open. You know what I'm saying?
What?
A lot of people don't realize.
Hip hop.
Like, the most important people in history have had
teachers levels God
had to hide it. Gorbachev. A lot of people thought Gorbachev had a birth spot on his mouth. That actually was a distraction to keep you from seeing his third eye. Think about Victor. Every time you see Victor, you see the hair. It's luxurious. If he parts those beautiful curls, the size of that eye would scare you. All right, I've seen him do it in a couple of bits. He's doing it right now. Relax.
Shit. Yo, chill. I'm hypnotized.
I've seen him do it in a couple of board meetings, and you see people's faces melt over the camera, like at the end of Indiana Jones. It's too powerful. It's too powerful.
No, I can't handle it. No,
Victor, don't do it to them. Don't do it to them.
No.
Yo, as always, brought to you by, shout out to Cash App, still holding us down, keeping the brand strong. We're still banging out to the quarantine. Shout out to Milk Studios, you're still around for now. Shout out to Showtime. Shout out to the brand strong. Shout out to Bodega Hive. Shout out to Mero. Shout out to me. Shout out to the Trap. Shout out to you, the listener, for listening to this as you continue to make your way through the quarantine and in these trying times of uncertainty.
Yes.
Where you don't know what's going to happen. I'll tell you what you do know. You're going to get a fucking fire podcast from these two boys every week.
That's right.
Until we sell out and put it behind a firewall, we have to pay money for it. That's our show. Good night.
But hey, haha.
Anyway, we out. Peace.
Peace.